Taking it over. Welcome back to Market Movers. It is Thursday, November. Sorry, what? What am I saying? January 21st, 20th. Where did November come from? What's going on?
Hey, Prad.
Hi, Miss V.
Hi, guys. Thank you very much for joining us today. Let's continue trading on this busy day. As usual, please be active on the chat. Ask us anything, and we would really appreciate if you like this video. Prad, how is your trading day going?
Great so far. Looking for some opportunities right now. I am currently short SoFi, even though you guys know how much I love SoFi's move right now to the top, all the way to $16. Now a full dollar per share in the money in my own account and my only positive ticker. So let's go growth stocks. Let's go SoFi. The charter bank news obviously helping it out drastically. Price targets coming in for $30 and whatnot. I remember 30 was a level that Miss V was pointing out yesterday for the price target bump. Sorry, not a level, but so I can't wait to see what happens. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out on that short, and I'm not gonna be upset about it at all because SoFi, let's keep on going, baby. Market's on a tear today, absolute rip. So let me show you what I'm talking about by the market tear, which is QQQ almost, not almost, it is 2% up today, and your SPYs are 1.5% up. So absolute monster moves all across the board. I'm actually trying to catch a short on Tesla, but because the market broke the high there, I stopped myself out a couple of times and I scalped myself a couple of wins too. But you know, maybe I'll try to get back in short over here on Tesla, closer to 1040 or a little bit higher than 1040. But honestly, I think getting in over here and risking the high a day, which is 1041, would be also not a bad idea for a Tesla short if anyone's looking for a trade. And then obviously SoFi, we got burnt on the short just now because this stock is just not stopping those 16. That's right. Look at that size on 16 though. 16. Whoa, that guy got taken out. Forget that size. Forget that size. This stock got taken out. I'm sure Sean is unhappy right now for closing his position. So there we go, man. No matter, that's the beauty of this market. Not this market. That's the beauty of this game that we play, the stock game that we play, which is even when you're right, you can always be wrong. You're always wrong even when you're right, and even when you're wrong, you're wrong. It's such a beautiful game. I love it. There's always ways to improve, and look at this stock. I can't be happier today. Miss V, are you happy for me because SoFi's are ripping?
If you're long, I am happy for you.
I'm long in my own account.
Let's go. Great job.
Finally back in the green on at least one stock.
I'll put Prad Bull for you.
Let's go. That's a donkey. Never mind.
Right.
That's a donkey. All right, let's go, dude. We'll see what other stocks are moving around. Any stocks? Airbnb, ABNB. Let's go check out Airbnb. Airbnb ripping today, beautiful. Obviously, we love seeing Airbnb go higher. I'm a big fan of Airbnb. It's pretty much the only thing I use when I'm going anywhere, so I can't wait for the stock to go back to the 200 ranges. Obviously, we'll see if that ever comes back into play. A little doubtful about that. I want to go check on Tesla one more time because market's curling back down. I may have just missed this opportunity. I'm not chasing Tesla that far to the downside. AMD slight under 128 right now. But I'm not going to chase this one either. Where's NVIDIA? NVIDIA slightly under 255 or slightly above 255. Trying to see if this one's going to go higher or not. Yesterday's close around 248. We opened higher than that, up currently 1.94%, almost 2% with 14 million shares. So I think market has a little bit more room to the upside. Hence, I'm going to be patient right now for my short mentality.
Talking about your plans to short Tesla, Prad. I was long on Tesla today. I love it. A very profitable day on Tesla. Let's go, Prad. Well, guys, as you can see, stock first went a little bit against me. I went long at 1028. Stock went down, but my risk management allowed me to hold the trade. My out would be at around 1017. Luckily, stock went back to the upside. My plan worked perfectly. My first out was 1029.30ish, then 1031.50ish, then 1032, Then again, like it went down a little bit. I sold some shares at 10:30 again, and the last out at 10:34. Stock went up all the way to 10:41. I a little bit regret that I didn't hold it longer. Still, no worries. It's a profitable day for me. And again, if we take a look at the higher time frame, I see possibility for Tesla go higher to around 1070-ish level, but I don't know if before that it will maybe dip a little bit if it ever gets to that level. But I see some positive trend on Tesla today, up more than 4%. That's fantastic.
All right, so Peloton, looking at Peloton right now, obviously my number one competitor to my company, Pradaton. We'll see what Peloton is doing at the moment. Currently flat on the day, very much flat, basing itself around yesterday's close. You guys remember we tried to short it a couple times. We got a decent short out of it at the end of the day, and that was a positive ticker for me. So Peloton over here currently just basing out, not doing a whole lot. Looks like we found some support in front of $30 on that stock, and trying to see if we can make a move back towards those, the 40s and the 50s. I'm not sure we can ever get back to here unless some fundamental change happens and they find a way to, actually hold on to subscriptions, because the retention rate's pretty low. But at the end of the day, bouncing off of 30 and then finding a way to trade between 32 and 30 is a good thing. So let's see if we can get back to 35 sometime this month or next month for Peloton. Holy, so many trader Prad tags. What's going on? You pushing P? What does that even mean, bro? Nice. Let's fly high. Yeah, daddy, don't hurt me. Wow, okay, I won't. Please give me... Don't laugh, Rob. You're going to make me laugh. Please give pets some love. Yeah, I'll give pets some love. But instead of pets first, I want to give love to the marketing guy, Justin. I was watching him fly some planes yesterday. I have a battle to pick with you. Your plane was nosediving and you didn't even say Mayday. I don't know if I can ever get in a plane with you because of that, bro. You were so busy fixing the flight path and your plane that you didn't even say Mayday. I think I'm scared now. No, watching you, I had a lot of fun. Actually made me want to buy the game and install it. So guys, go follow Justin. He's I don't know when his next flight is, but I had a lot of fun just lurking around watching him while we watch Luka Magic. Did you watch the game yesterday, Sean? Yeah. Luka Magic destroyed us. 41, man. He destroyed us. Luka Magic destroyed us. I was crying sitting there. The one game I decided to watch after a year is the day that Luka drops 41. Come on, bro. But that was a fun game watching there too. Tomorrow night. Hey, there you go. Justin's flying tomorrow night. All right, so getting back to Peloton, we already talked about that. Miss V already covered Tesla. Let's go to AMD. I mean, we already covered AMD. Let's go to Microsoft, Facebook, and all the other tech sectors. Then we'll go to the meme stock coverages. Who's calling me? Don't you know that I'm at work? It's probably those Chinese fake telemarketers telling me that the cops are coming if I don't give them money and whatnot. You know what I'm talking about, Miss V? You know?
Like now, but
no, the telemarketers who call you and they say they're gonna call the CRA on you if you don't pay them. Yeah, I hate those calls, man.
Aren't those spammers?
Yeah, spammers. There you go. That's the word I was looking for. So Microsoft 2.4% up today. Beautiful. Let's go, Microsoft. Obviously, Activision being added to the portfolio is probably going to be a great thing for Microsoft, and we'll see where that goes into in terms of Chinese and Indian, both actually. When I pick it up, it's Chinese things, but it's both scammers. All right, so when Microsoft obviously made a crazy move yesterday to a 313.35, I guess, or 95 over here, almost 314, but looks like not much trading happened over 3135. So looking for a move back to yesterday's high, maybe a breakout. Market's coming down a little bit right now, so maybe that Tesla short should have been great. I kind of chickened myself out of that position quite a little too much over here. So that would have been a great short for me to have. There goes Tesla back to 1030. I think we bounce off of 1030 though. Just the way market's trading, I don't think we're ready to go all the way back to VWAP on the market just yet. So this down move that it's being a little bit orchestrated by the market in itself, and I think we bounce off of 1030. And if not 1030, then where is VWAP? VWAP on the 3-minute is at 1024. I think we bounce off of 1020 no matter what if we do go back to VWAP on Tesla. But market could find support at 4580 on the ES/H22 CM. Could find support at 4580 like it did the first time, and then make a bounce again. So here we go, 4580 on the ES, and then NQ/H22 CM. 15280 is where it bounced first. So let's see if we can bounce again at 15280 for NASDAQ. AMD sinking. Yeah, looks like most of the market's coming down right now. Your SoFi is also curling back to $16. Here's AMD curling from the 128s. Shorts was the right idea for the current time being, but you know, obviously keep in mind the market is very strong today in a good way too. You know, I'm very happy that the market's ripping in the position that we are. Let's go check on Palantir. Obviously, you guys know that we're also holding Palantir on our position. Oh yeah, Activision's coming down, so maybe I get some of Activision too. All right, so Palantir, obviously Palantir's ripping almost 6% up today. Beautiful. Let's go Palantir. And holding a trend line at the moment if you were to draw the trend line right like that. Awesome. Let's see if we can hold up at 1540 according to that trend line, approximately 1540, maybe even 1535, slightly under it, and then whipsaw right back onto that trend line and then start testing the day's high, which is at 1552. So Palantir is healthy, SoFi is healthy. What else are we going to look at? DraftKings, obviously, probably not.
Look at the super chat from Rolanda Vergara. Thank you so much for your super chat. Finally, SOPA will hit my average price $9. SOPA now at $6, up 12%. So hopefully, Rolanda, it will happen for you soon, and maybe after DraftKings or right to SOPA.
No, I'll go right to SOPA for sure. SOPA, I was just talking about DraftKings because they're I have nothing better. It's a good, always better to talk about something that viewers want. So SOPA over here going up today, 13% up today overall with not much shares, to be honest. 1 million shares for a $6 stock is almost pretty illiquid if you ask me. Let's look at the level 2. Not much size on the pennies. There is some probably pools where it'll just evaporate and there's no size to punch. Actually, I see size almost at least 100 shares per penny, so that's good. Obviously, if you're trading a $6 stock and you're only getting 100 shares, you can't be expecting to make too much money out of that one.
Yeah, Brad, besides Tesla, though, I also traded that low-float APM stock. I'm still in a short trade on that. My entrance at 161, and looks like it finds it difficult to break this 156, 150-ish level. Hopefully, it will do, or maybe I will get rid of maybe half of my position because kind of gets
You traded
boring.
APM today?
Yeah, I'm still
What made you trade APM today, Miss V?
Our watch list Prad.
Okay, awesome.
And besides that, yeah, I'm trying to now trade more low float stocks.
Okay.
And also I know Neil is short on APM.
No, I commend you. That's it's not an easy thing to do what you're doing right now, and you're branching out. You're trying to venture more. You're trying to learn. You're also on your pursuit to become a full-time live trader. So congratulations, Miss V, on that next step over there. And let's go. So APM, obviously, you guys saw what Miss V was talking about. Let me quickly see if I can find any levels on my side over here. Obviously, the stock is at all-time lows? Yeah, pretty much at all-time lows at $1.16. Getting a nice bump of almost 29% today from that all-time lows to $1.66. If I go to the yearly chart, I kind of see why the stock is gassing itself off in front of $1.80. But if it does have any sort of movement, it could go back to $2 as it did in this range over here. So look for volume to pick back up. Look at that volume candle, 75 million shares today compared to barely 1 million shares for God knows how long. So that relative volume should be insane. Where's APM? APM. This only shows me less or more than $1, I believe. So forget it. But I'm trying to find if I can see it in here. Relative volume leaders. Relative volume leaders. I guess not. All right. I tried. But indeed, a lot of movement happening over there. Very, very happy seeing Miss V venture with stocks that I myself am stay away from for the most part. Let's go check on Activision. So Activision doing beautiful things. I don't know why I haven't abused the stock today. I should have absolutely destroyed the stock because it's pretty much doing exactly what I planned for it to do. Yesterday and today, so I took advantage of it yesterday. For some reason, you know, I was looking at other stocks today that had a more momentum, a better catalyst for my setups, and I was taking advantage of those stocks. But currently, one of that stock is taking advantage of me, so we'll see what happens. But anyways, coming back to Activision, you guys know what's going on. Microsoft's buying them out. I tried to go long in front of 81.50 because that was the low from the news day. So if I pull up Activision over here, you'll see me map out lines for everything from 80 to 95, and after I mapped out those lines, I saw the stock basically bounce from 85.22 to 81.50, which is beautiful. And then yesterday bounced off of 81.50, which is again great. So today we actually started bouncing off of 82, where the stock started to consolidate yesterday. So I started taking the 82 long. Well, I not started. I took the 82 long just now, looking to see if we can get back anywhere up to 83 or VWAP. I'm not getting out anytime soon, and I'm gonna keep on rinse, repeat this trade as long as the stock is gonna keep on holding the bottoms at 82 and the all-time bottom at 81.50. I'm saying all-time because I don't think the stock's gonna ever break 81.50 as long as the deal doesn't, as long as the deal goes through. So just keep on rinsing and repeating these strategies as you can. Activision is one of those best momentum stocks right now to abuse that on.
Prad, that chat having a positive day today. Yeah, DATS is up 24%. Do you keep an eye on that chat?
Yeah, we'll pull it up. I don't have an account on it. I don't know if you do, Miss V. Have you ever used it?
Nope.
Nope. Okay. Yeah, I think it's something where your pictures, or not pictures, your messages are deleted after a certain period of time.
Snapchat?
Yeah, like Snapchat, exactly. But it's like WhatsApp or Twitter for deleted messages. It's like a mix of WhatsApp and Twitter.
Yeah.
But it deletes your messages and it's encrypted. Whatever. But you know, everyone's
some shady stuff.
Some shady stuff, yeah. And I'm saying shady stuff for sure because everyone's like pumper uses that app to pump stuff, which is absolutely nuts if you ask me. But that's getting a nice little move over here back to the north side. Let's see if this one gets moving because of him again. Where is this one going to? What's the all-time low on this? $2.28, and we're currently at 370 on the 1-year chart. I'm looking at levels to find. Looks like the IPO high was $4.13. Did we bounce off of that? Well, we broke $4. On a fail break of $4, we came back to VWAP to find support, and now we're finding support slightly above 50-period EMA and above VWAP. So look for a move back above $4 as long as volume is there. And so far, volume is still good. You know, we don't have to worry about volume for another 15 minutes or so, 40 minutes or so, and if volume can continue even through after those 40 minutes, then I think DATS really has a chance to break above 4 again and really go test that 415 level that we're talking about. Finally, the stock that was hurting me might just pay me and help me from the yesterday's move too. So let's see if that one goes through. Activision coming back down a little bit, but obviously you guys know how I'm playing that. I'm just gonna keep on loading up and smashing that stock all day. Did he just burp? I probably I did. I don't know. Every time I move away from the mic, it's either because I have to breathe or I have to burp. And you guys hate it when I do it in the mic. So just, you know, doing it for you guys, man. Everything I do is for you guys. Right, Miss V?
Yeah.
All we do is for you guys. And all we ask in return is
to like this video. Thank you for bringing it up.
Let's
I love
go.
it, guys. Likes are absolutely free. It takes literally a second to give us a like. Second for you, and happiness for the rest of the day for Prad and me. So please support the community, guys. Like the video again in case you don't know how to like. The video you're watching right now, right under it, there is thumb. Turn it black and to the upside and remind you, yesterday we've got 1,300 likes, which is our record. If we can break it, we would appreciate it so much.
I think we can break 1,300. We got this. For sure got this.
3,400 people are watching.
For sure got this. We got this. I believe. I believe we're not gonna break 3,000 because you know, people are just gonna lurk around and not smash it. I think, you know, there's a ratio that works out. Maybe once we get 5,000 viewers, we'll start hitting 3,000. But according to that ratio, we can easily do 1,500, right, guys? We can. Half of you can smash that like. So we got this. AMC might break, really. AMC might break 20. Oh, wait, what? We're back below 19? That's not good. Okay, so AMC making a crazy move off the open all the way to level 20. Bro. Shanghai, see, it says Shanghai 8621. Like, bro, stop calling me, man. All right, so AMC getting a nice little move to $20. We did get a break of $20, 2016, and then immediately coming back down. I'm still very happy seeing this move on AMC. Obviously, I'm gonna be a little upset because it didn't go to 16 to fill my order on my own account, but that shouldn't matter because if you are a who is long, you should love the fact that the stock is up 3% today and trying to hold up slightly below 19. As long as we close above 19 today, I think that's an even better indication for tomorrow and for the rest of the month for AMC. Let's go. This obviously, you know, what's the articles that are coming out? A lot of articles coming out about people. What's it called? Not people, but the market going to correction zones and the bear market coming in and how the correction is very much necessary and very much needed. I think that's scaring people a little bit. So, the way I'm looking at it is I'm not scared. Like, if we're going into correction, I can't wait to just drop every single paycheck that I'm going to get into the markets because within a year or two, hopefully that doubles back, right? Wow, SoFi, what the heck? Oh my God.
Nice.
Are you watching this?
Yep.
I'm just watching so far on my other screen while I'm talking to you guys, and I'm absolutely mind-boggled. Like, I thought, you know, SoFi would come even a bit lower to maybe 1550s and find support. It said, no, Prad, we're going to turn around at 1580 and launch right back through 16. Let's see if we can keep on ripping. There's some size at 1620 actually holding it up right now. Look at the mid-prints and look at the sellers hitting the offer. Sorry, look at the sellers hitting the bids. Oh, there we go. They took them out. They washed them out. They washed them out. We're going higher. 1639 being the high of day. Can we go test the high of day again? While the market's coming down, SoFi wants to rip higher. So clearly, SoFi is doing whatever SoFi wants. That if that $30 comes into play by the end of February, I'm gonna absolutely lose my mind. I'm gonna be very happy. Let's go, SoFi. Can we fight Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs as the best bank now?
By the way, that APM, guys, you remember was saying that it's kind of find it difficult to break that 156 level. Looks like it's trying to. So I will wait. Hopefully it will get around at this 152 range so I can sell some of my position. I mean buy back. I'm short.
Wow, let's go, Adam. Good job. Okay, I don't know if he's watching me, but if you are listening to me, let's go, buddy. So AMC, where are we going? I already covered AMC. Let's go cover GME. GME, where is this one going? Jimmy came back all the way to the starting of the day. Looks like 108.65 currently. The spread is like 60 cents, man. Like 40 cents, sorry, not 60 cents. Spread's tightening up a little bit right now, so maybe we're getting a move back to the north side. Buyers stepping up their orders. Sellers not really stepping down their orders yet, so maybe when sellers step down their orders too, then we have a better indication. Or if we start punching out the offers and then start taking the sellers out and start moving higher. So GME all the way back to the downside right now, but still up 2% on the day, which is still great position for GME. And obviously, I'm not sure if we get all the way back to the high of day today, but if we do get back to VWAP and close above 110 on GME, I think that's still a good thing. Big, long day ahead of us still, right? So we'll come back and we'll see how that one goes through. BBIG holding up slightly in front of 4 still. We did dip below 4. Wow, I forgot about pets, dude. My bad. I forgot about pets. Okay, let me cover BBIG and I'll dive right back into pets. Okay, so BBIG $4 did break today. I needed the stock to hold $4. Well, not for myself, but for my friends. So the fact that we are kind of struggling at 4, but still are holding 4, I'll take the victory in that for my friends, and let's see if we can start going back to those $5, $6 levels. Obviously, still a no trade for me until we go test out $8 level for BBIG. I think those levels are way more at least for me, I trade around those levels. I remember trading around those levels, so I'm just gonna be watching around for BBIG. Let's go to pets. Yeah, sorry for ignoring the pets comment. Obviously, you know, chat, super chats and everything, I just lose some tickers sometimes. So today on 23 million shares for a penny stock, I guess it's decent. Obviously, you know, where's the liquidity? Where's the chances for you to get out? That's for you and your risk management to decide. Really, Activision? Cool. So finding support in front of VWAP looks like it's bouncing off of what, 51 cents or even 50 cents flat, up 14% on the day. But see how the stock pretty much got destroyed all the way from $4 to $1, and before that I believe it was a little bit higher than that. Let me PETZ. There we go. Yeah, $27 to $4, and now a penny stock, eventually getting deleted most likely. Oh wait, that's not the stock. Where's PETZ? There we go. That's the one I'm looking for. That was just pet. So this one's actually 14 to 9 to 4 to below 1. Eventually delist and go to OTC, which is what Luckin Coffee kind of did, or Hertz did. So be careful if you are trying to recover this position back into $1 or along those lines.
Prad, while you're doing a great job on reviewing stocks, I learned a new US slang, pushing P. Have you heard about pushing P?
I think Adam's talking over here. That's got to be Adam's burner then, if he's pushing P, pushing player. I don't know.
I just googled. It's actually has been used like in Texas and Bay. People used to say that, but now it goes viral on TikTok.
Oh, okay,
Pushing
that
P.
makes sense. That makes sense.
It means keep it real, and it's generally positive term.
Yeah, it means like I was talking. Pushing P is it's keeping it player apparently, but it's keeping it 100%. That's what pushing P or keeping it P means. Like, but keeping it player apparently is a big thing. Urban Dictionary did like 2-3 days ago. Keeping it player, whatever. I get it though. It's a song called Pushing P. I think you guys are talking about maybe he has a song called Pushing P, but I think Adam and I were talking about Real Recognize Real by Young Thug.
Where do you talk with Adam? It's so confusing.
Adam, I talk to Adam all the time.
What?
I talk to Adam all the time. We have messages.
No, I just confused. Do you talk to me, to chat, to Adam? Like
same thing. All of you.
All right.
All of you. Whoever brought that up. I think someone's trying to play games with me here because we had an argument 2 days ago. But yeah, let's move on from this. I thought it was a song by Salt and Pepper. Yeah, I don't know. You get a like from me today. Thank you, Doc Spears. 32 people watching. No, don't say that. NIO. 32 people watching. Yeah, it's 32 million people, but you know the numbers don't show up for YouTube. There's too many zeros after the 32 million, so YouTube cuts it off nice and short, keeps it simple. So NIO, where's NIO going today? 6% to the north. Let's go NIO. Holding up at VWAP right now, 30 cents and $30.20 looks like where it bounced off of. Which happens to be the 50-period EMA. 50-period EMA above the VWAP, and it's helping the stock bounce off of that. Beauty. Costco 500 incoming. Let's see if we actually get above 500. Obviously, the stock was above 500 not too long ago. Getting back under right now. Wow, that's we're below the 100-period EMA on the dailies right now. So obviously, look for buyers to start stepping up for Costco. Consumer staple, big wholesale retailer consumer staple. It has to eventually, you know, get back. I think it has to eventually get back over 500. No matter how much stuff costs in terms of food and products in general, people will still have to go buy food and milk and water, and the cheapest place you're going to probably find them are the wholesale stores like Costco, Walmart, and so on. So I think, they're still going to make money even in high inflation periods, and probably make more.
Prad, I see John Chung is really want us to take a look at NEO. Did we talk about NEO?
NEO, yeah, we just talked about really? NEO. No problem. Lucid, let's go look at Lucid. Lucid did go to 43. I wanted to pay for shorts for Lucid today, but just because how strong the market was, I think I made a good decision by not paying for it. But 43 got rejected, same way 42 yesterday. So if you guys were watching the stock, we did get above 42 a little bit, but immediately came back down. And today 43 happens to be that number. Oh yes, let's go. That stock that was hurting me is now in the money all day. I was crying about that one. Finally, okay. So Lucid coming back to the downside. Obviously, we're still on the green today at 3%, 3.5% green, bouncing off the 100-period EMA. I don't know when these Saudis are gonna sell, but when they're gonna sell, you're gonna see the stock crater, absolutely crush itself. So at this point, I'm just gonna have to pay for shorts every day and just be ready for that Saudi selling wave, because when that wave comes, it's gonna be a tidal wave, a big tidal wave coming in.
Right, Prad, I see someone says SPCE. Also, Dominic Famularo brought Virgin Galactic on the morning show. Positive day for Virgin, still up around 6% today.
Let me pull up stock. What is on New York? Let me pull up the. Sorry, I was typing. So SPCE. On New York, here we go. Where are we moving? 9 million shares traded, 6% to the north side. Obviously, still under $10. We need the stock to trade above $10 if it wants to not trade like a SPAC again. So so far, it's trading under the SPAC. It's sorry, not under the SPAC, under $10. And looks like that value that people gave the stock is because they separated the companies. They kind of devalued this company as a whole, if you ask me. So I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it offers you to invest in different avenues now. So if you want to invest in the Virgin Orbital company, then you go to VORB, I think. VORB? I can't type. What's going on? VORB. Yeah, VORB. Where is it? Oh, that's still space. So we orb with the no volume, absolutely no volume, but looks like it's still up on the day 5%. Kind of following space, if you ask me, maybe. But I think, VORB is a way better bet to put money in than Prad is ignoring me. No, I just didn't see your message, bro. I honestly didn't see your message. Probably because when I'm rambling is when you're typing, and when I'm rambling, I'm looking at my other stocks to manage my trades. And then when I look at you, it's just because imaginary friend today. I have too many imaginary friends today. So space, obviously, where is this one going to is anyone's guess. Miss V, what was this other stock you made me, or you said pull up?
We looked at Virgin, but maybe we can take a look at Ride. I don't know if we talk about that yet.
Ride, this one's Lordstown, right? Yeah, Lordstown Motors Ride. So all-time lows, $2. I remember when that deal fell out, I believe, and the stock just completely crushed all the way to the downside ever since, and now still going to the downside. To you, to Neil.
Yeah, why not, man? It only took what is this, like 11:30? So 3 hours after the morning show, but like 4.5 hours after I sat down to get into a trade in SoFi. And I should have chased it. I never chased it. I never got the dip. It really wouldn't break below 14 there to give you those 85s and 90s that I was looking for. But it finally puts in, like, this is a top I was looking for. Like, DWAC gave a fade off of 85. Where it broke. You broke 16, but you finally get that wick where you're looking for a pullback. And then I'm just finally going to be in this trade as it consolidates off this level. Now, there is a battle being waged at 20 to 25 here. So I went from holding a short to then saying, okay, forget it. Let's just get some more shares and then start scalping it inside of the range a couple of times just to like take this 10 cents because it keeps bouncing down to 16.05, 16.10, coming right back up to the top end of the range. I'm going to have some out at 15.9. Then if this is the pullback to VWAP, like even if this thing pulls to VWAP, that's a buck. And bottom to top, it'd still be $1.50 from the 14 level. So that's not even halfway if it gets there. So it's still a very much bullish stock. But the first time it showed signs of a real pullback, and this is the first lower consolidation. Volume through the roof, the 130 million. For reference, like DATS is less than a quarter of the price, and DATS is making moves too. But it's done half the amount of shares of SoFi, despite being half the price. So SoFi, battle being waged right here. I think as long as you're willing to give it a stop in either direction, not a horrible trading price area here, but once it breaks from this range, like if it breaks this range, it's taking out the top. Or at least testing the high, which is 1640. If it breaks the bottom, I think it's getting to 1580 easy, if not down towards VWAP. So continues to be the leader in volume, continues to be the leader in terms of what should be day traded here today. SoFi, Brad.
SoFi indeed, the king of the day, absolute monster. I don't know why I didn't take the longs, and obviously just watching it was way more fun than trading it, I guess. I'm just in love the fact that we're all the way up to 1607, high day being 1639, not able to take out the high day on the second move back up, and actually now creating lower lows and lower highs all the way back to most likely 1580. Let's see if we can find support at 1580 on SoFi. Most likely going to be trading sideways for the rest of the day around these ranges. Let VWAP catch up to it a little bit, and then maybe later on in the day, come back below 16 or come back below 1550 or so and close below 1550 is the kind of idea that I have for SoFi. Obviously, it's going to be a little hard for me to short it, even though I did short it earlier. Going to be a little hard for me to short this stock because I absolutely in love. I'm infatuated with this position right now. How can I not be? It's the only one in green for me, so I'm in love with it. AMC above $19. Yes, Miss V?
We're talking about love, about SoFi. I've got a really nice message on the chat from Austin, who is member for 3 months. Wishing everyone the best trades. Enjoy the green today and take profit. SoFi to 222. Plan to do one thing positive with your profits. Thank you so much for kind words. And indeed, great day for SoFi, and congratulations everyone who made money on that name or on any other.
Let's go. Robert Isaac, Ngannou or Cyril Gane? You know what? I want Cyril Gane to win. He's on an undefeated streak. I think Ngannou is acting up right now. I think Ngannou needs to be put down and be humbled a little bit. Obviously, he's a monster. He's an absolute beast of a human, and he's improved in such crazy, drastic ways. But I think Ngannou leaving UFC just because he wants more money, being greedy and whatnot. I don't vibe with that. And the way he treated his ex partners or his ex coaches. I don't like that. So I'm gonna go with Gane over here. Francis can get KO. That would be amazing. I'm actually gonna put money on Gane too. So hopefully I win on that one. Be humbled. Okay, there Iron Shake. Nah, I think he needs to be humbled, man. He for sure needs to be humbled. I love Francis. Don't get me wrong, but my guy over here acting like he's Iron Mike Tyson. Like, chill out, bro. Bring it down a notch. You just like got your belt. You don't have the record like Iron Mike does. Gane's the fave. I want Gane to win. All right, talking about Gane and thing, let's go look at the website that I'm probably going to put my money on. So DraftKings over here, up 3%. Let's go, but still, crushed from where we were long on this position. We'll see where this one is right now. Finding support at 22 looks like on the way down, slightly above VWAP also. Let's see if we can get a move back to the high day. I'm not sure if the volume is really there for that. 7 million shares, 11:40, 20 minutes to lunchtime. So obviously we'll see what happens if we even are able to get any moves back up here on DraftKings. If you guys remember what Sean had to say, very valid point. There's really no barrier to entry here. It's all about who's got the bigger bank for that funding, for marketing. And hopefully DraftKings has that bank, please. I'm so in DWAC long. Okay, let's go check out DWAC. What is DWAC doing today? So not back to 80. Did go as low as $77 looks like, but didn't manage. Sheesh, my boy. Let's go. Okay. So DWAC looking like it wants to keep on going back to the north side once again. So yesterday we did have a red day. Obviously, after having big green days, you can't expect the stock to have another green day like that. But today we're kind of retracing some of that red day, almost half of it, I think, looks like it. We dipped below 80 off the open. We went above 80, dipped back below 80, found support in the pre-market ranges, and then broke the day's high. So currently, we're in a great standing, and I think getting ready to get that $100 test February 21st, man. February 21st. We can't have that those articles coming in saying it's not gonna happen, because if those articles come out, the stock is gonna get absolutely destroyed, like cut by half, if you ask me.
Prad, can we take a look at Laser Luminar Technologies? It's up 18% of the day, and earlier in the morning news came that Mercedes-Benz teams up with Luminar on self-driving tech. Go Mercedes!
All right, go Mercedes indeed. You know, what's this? I think I can't wait to see what Elon Musk is gonna tweet tonight or soon, because he was a big hater of Luminar Technologies, right?
Really?
I think so. I don't know if Sean remembers or Neil. LiDAR. Yeah. Yeah, I think he's going to for sure tweet something now that Mercedes had partnered with LiDAR. He's going to have to say something. It's Elon Musk, right? So I can't wait to see what kind of tweet's going to come out in today or tomorrow based on LiDAR, based on LAZR, based on Mercedes partnership. Overall, though, great partnership, great deal. Hopefully they help out Mercedes. I remember back in the day watching a video of Mercedes car automatically slowing down based on the car in front of it. And this was before electrical vehicles was even a thing. Yeah, this was way before, like long time ago. So you know, hopefully we can see new technology being implemented from that end, innovation, technology coming out. All great news. So LAZR Mercedes partnership puts it up 17% today with 18 million shares. Obviously, that partnership could be beneficial or bad. We don't know yet. Only time will tell. I thought Elon was trying to buy Mercedes. Really? I've never heard that.
I've never heard that.
I never heard that. Auto braking when Prad was still a toddler. I mean, I was a baby for sure. I'm still a baby. Market's coming back to the downside. Looks like ES is finally at those numbers that I was previously mentioning to you. So where is it? .cm. Come on, let me see the chart. So there we go. We were talking about the 4580, where we're exactly at, looking for support to come in at 4580. Let's go look at NQ/H22CM. And on NASDAQ, we were talking about, I believe, 15280, if I remember correctly. No, I was talking about 15285, I believe, which we broke, and we're almost back to VWAP right now on NASDAQ. So we'll see if this one can find a way to get back to the north side. Can you tell me what you think about Wish? So Wish, absolutely garbage company, you know, without a doubt. They need to... Here's the thing. Why would a company need to file... How many is it? How many shares do they have? 417 million shares. And half of these are pretty much sitting on a shelf company in America and absolutely not doing much. That's pretty much telling me that was created to dump. And when that dump happened, the stock went from absolutely nowhere to where it belongs, which is the ground. I'm expecting the stock to get delisted. There's a lot of fake products on here that don't work. And people who buy from these companies at least once or twice, they're gonna realize that these products are not the greatest products. You don't want to be buying them, and they're gonna stop using their app store, and the sellers are going to leave and they're going to go find other websites to sell on. So because of that, I'm not bullish on Wish at all. I think this company is going to have a lot of trouble. The S2 filings or the S3 filings, I forget what number they give it, or S1, whatever it's called, S1, S2, S3 filings, they just keep on filing more and more shares every other day, and without any reason to. So I don't unlike what Wish is doing over here. It is poop poop.
Yeah, poop and some Goldman Sachs situation is here with my APM short. I mean, I'm still in a profitable territory, but I lost the great level. I could get rid of some shares at least here. Now APM again shows some signs to go back to VWAP. Basically, if it gets at this level, I will just go out, will remain flat on that name. But hopefully, as you, Prad, said, markets go down a little bit. Hopefully that name will follow that move too.
Which one are you talking about, Miss V? Your APM? Your APM. Thank you for covering APM. I love it, man. I love that Miss V is venturing into other stocks. You're going to kill it. You're going to kill it.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm planning to go live next week.
You're going to kill it.
So I'm trying. Thank you.
You're going to kill it. You're going to kill it. I believe.
Let's kill it.
I believe. AMZ and Amazon. 1 million shares. Where are we going on Amazon over here? And the only reason she's going to kill it is because I'm trading her.
I have the best teachers.
All right, back to Amazon here. Amazon coming to the downside, big time downside move on Amazon. Now turning red on the day, back to yesterday's close. Looks like if Amazon doesn't find support on yesterday's close, obviously something going on over there. So something's going on over there. If Amazon can't find support on yesterday's close and start making a bounce back to the pre-market levels and trade around there. Looking at the market, QQQ making a reversal right now. Green candles coming in on the 3-minute for the QQQ and ES. Okay, show idea 9.5 breakdown SEAH. All right, if you want me to talk about your stocks, bro, I'll talk about your stocks. I know he doesn't like me when I talk about his positions because he just doesn't like it. So SEAH, for some reason, he wants me to bring this up. What is this? The breakdown of $9.50. So it looks like he's either going short on the break of 950. Low volume, if you ask me. 1.3 million is not bad. But, obviously it's going to be like watching paint dry for some of you. No, not real moves. But this guy is calling out a trade right now, which is $9.50 short breakdown. Short on block. I'm thinking you're talking about Square, SQ. Let's go check out SQ right now. Come on, please give me 05 fills. Come on, come down. Give me 05 fills. That's going to be nuts. Okay, so Square. Where's Square right now? SQ on New York. Coming to 133. You're talking about a short on block. No, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't like that trade if you ask me. I think there's a higher room to the north side right now than to the downside for Square. I personally don't like that anti-trend move yet. You can go anti-trend, later on in the day if you ask me, but not yet. BBIG. Let's go look at BBIG again. Let's go. BBIG almost back to positive on the day, maybe. I'm not sure if we can get back to yesterday's close. What is yesterday's close at right here? Somewhere around $4.60. So let's see if we can break out a pre-market high to begin with and go much higher if we can. BBIG trying to green. Yeah, it is trying for sure, obviously. We'll see if we can actually manage to. That's going to be the first question over there. When you first became consistent, what did you think you were doing right? A lot of things. The first thing is obviously journaling my trades, reviewing my trades on a daily, weekly, monthly scale, going back to my notes, figuring out what strategies made money, what strategies didn't give me money, and then refining the strategies that paid me, and then cutting down the size on the strategies that didn't pay me, and then doubling down on that same thing. So leveling up, and leveling up. Prad, can you Pride? What? I can't even say my own name, dude. Come on, Prad. Can you take a look at Ford, please and thanks? For sure, my friend. For sure. Pacific Noble, for sure. Give me 05s. I'm gonna lose my mind if the stock doesn't give me 05s. Okay, Ford. Ford currently, what is Ford doing? Positive on the day. Let's go, Ford. I thought Ford was going to get destructed a little bit more after Jeffries' downgrade. And also, I thought Jeffries was downgrading them just because they're upset that they didn't get the chance to load the bag on Ford. So they're bringing the stock down with the downgrade.
Those analysts.
The analysts. They're just lying to people all the time. And I think, obviously, they tried to bring it down, but the buyers said, no, thank you. We'll take that opportunity to load up more, buy more, take it to the roof. And here's Ford today, flat on the day, but still above $22. And I think we're going to continue this trend and stay above $22. I'm very happy seeing Ford stay where it is today.
Hey, Prad,
I have a question real quick.
Sure.
What number did they downgrade it to?
Foreign? I'll check.
Or was it just like a letter, like buy and hold, or that's it, right?
No, usually it says target price.
Okay.
I'll tell you right now.
Okay.
Miss V the hacker.
Upgrade means give me liquidity to exit. Yeah, that's a good way to look at it. I like that.
Yes. So Jeffries cuts to hold from buy, raises target price to 25 from 20.
It's cool. We're smoking this position right now. Let's see how low this position can come to the downside. If we can throw out another order here for that much. Come on, give me 26 now. They just gave me. Man, let's go. What a good day for me today. Yes, sir.
Let's go. Super happy to hear it for that, Prad. By the way, someone brought a name on the chat I've never heard about before, but this is a task. It trades on 5 million volume now, and TaskUs is a company that handles content moderations from companies including Facebook and DoorDash. And it's flashing right now, down more than 18%.
They handle content moderation for Facebook?
And DoorDash.
Short, no matter what, every time they pop, short the crap out of them. Clearly, they're doing the worst job out there in the world. If you are content moderating anything, I think you're failing at it, because nowhere is content being moderated. I'm sorry. No content anywhere is being moderated, and people who should be allowed to speak are getting muted. And then people who should not have any voice, even though the First Amendment, have a voice. So, content moderation is an absolute joke. Any company that's doing that is not doing it in the right way, obviously. So forget this company. That's my opinion, obviously. But let's see if they're actually making any money in any way. So let's go pull up the stock on the yearly. Can I see volume, please? Thank you. So this is the all-time chart. It IPO'd at $30, went as high as 85, came right back to 28. So if that doesn't tell you that clearly their company doesn't work properly, then I don't know what does. Content moderation is a joke, absolute joke. I'm not saying the idea of content moderation is a joke, sorry, but the way these companies are handling, it's not being held up in a good way. I can do a better job, and I'm just one man doing it myself. So if they have full-out teams doing it for them and they're not doing it, come on, bro. Second Amendment, bonehead. Hey, I'm not from America, okay? I don't need to know these Fourth Amendment, Second Amendment, First Amendment. I don't need to know all these. I'm not from America. Amen on freedom. Freedom indeed. It's more like censorship than moderation. Yeah, but I think censorship's a good thing. They're just not doing it in a way where I would be happy or in a justified way in my mind. In a justified way. Going for VWAP cover or VWAP breakdown. I am going for Adam play. All right, cool. Task is done. Couldn't disagree more. Oh, that's fine. Agree to disagree. And that's the beauty of the market. The market in itself, everyone agrees to something and the market moves. And then there's people who don't agree with the market move and they try to short it or to try to long it, trying to play the mean reversion. That's psychology. That's market. That's people fighting against each other, putting their money where their mouth is. And that's why the market's such a beautiful place, because talk is cheap, but your trades aren't. If you're putting your money where your mouth is, that's what I like to see. BBIG coming back. Let's go check out Big Boy Ventures. Big Boy Ventures. I don't know why I said that. Vinco Ventures all the way to the north side. Still to the north side. I think we did take out the pre-market high slightly. Nope, negative. Pre-market high being $4.46. But let's just say pre-market high 440. We took out 440. We went slightly higher than that. We'll see if this goes much, much higher from here on out. Liar, liar. He said his exit's a VWAP. That's liar. This guy's lying to me. We'll see if they give me 26 over here. All right, Prad check Hood. Obviously, Hood's probably going more to the downside. We were at 18 bucks not too long ago, if I remember. Now at 14/13. Did make a move all the way up to, let's go. Oh, yeah, baby. Keep on dropping for me. All right, let's go. Hood all the way up to, 1480 or so, 16% to the north side today. Not 16, sorry, 6% to the north side today with 10 million shares. But obviously, I think Ford is still in trouble forever and ever, man. I don't think Ford at any point is fine. This is something that stands out to me right now. This is the all-time chart. Most of the volume transacted for the stock was around $18.29. That's where most of the buyers happening and most of the sellings also happening at $18.29. So we're way under that right now. Why would anyone use Hood when you have Webull and Interactive Brokers? I mean, why would anyone use anything at the end of the day? It's because they appreciate what they're offering over there. Maybe they appreciate the free fees. Maybe they appreciate the ease of access. Maybe they appreciate that they don't have to lie to Interactive Brokers about 15 million things just to be able to trade options, you know? It depends on people to people, man. Asking those questions are great, but everyone has their own opinion. Everyone has their own choice, and they have the freedom to make that choice. The only thing you can do off of that is see how many people are on Robinhood, how many people are on Webull, how many people are on Fidelity. Where is the money being moved? Most of the big money comes from Interactive Brokers. That's where big money is trading off of, or TD Ameritrade. But at the end of the day, does it really matter? Like, why do you care what other people are using? It shouldn't matter to you. If they're using it, they're having fun, let them have fun. It doesn't make sense even bothering for yourself. It's just a waste of mental space, my boy. Move on from that, and I'm gonna move on from it too. SoFi, what's going on over here? Sheesh alert. We need a sheesh alert we need a sheesh alert. I don't know if Rob's listening to me. No, he's not here. But here we go, man. Taking out the high a day on this one. Let's go. Here comes. I'm gonna actually get out of my trade over here on my buyout because that hit my target. I'm not gonna hold it any longer. Now my number one trade of the day. Yesterday it was actually my number one loser, so now it's my number one trade for the day. Let's go. That buyout's done with. Let's go check on what Activision's doing. Activision I thought would move a lot more, but it didn't. So what I should have been doing is just scalping out, in and out, building it for that move for later on in the day. So maybe that's something I could do while I'm talking about it. So we'll throw out some profits over here. Oh, that's right. That window is stuck right now. So we'll do it on the other side. Moving on. CCL Prad go short. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Let's pull up CCL real quick. Yeah, I don't know about that one. I mean, you could go short, risk the break of 22 and whatnot, but I'm still bullish on your cruise liners and your airliners. Your airlines actually had earnings today, right? So who was it? American Airlines?
AAL, UAL.
AAL had earnings. So American Airlines had earnings and they missed it by very slightly, right? So because of that, I'm pretty sure they had a green day. Let me pull it up. Flat day. They actually came off quite a bit off the open, but they pretty much reclaimed all of that and slightly above yesterday's close, which is great. And UAL on New York, or NASDAQ, sorry. UAL on NASDAQ should look something similar. They also missed their earnings slightly, and they quoted so they are flat. Maybe this is a little bit of a move that has to do with the 5G news too. The Emirates CEO came out and said this was the most rollout that he's ever seen. Maybe not infinite. I forget what the word is. Like the most delinquent rollout of anything that he's ever seen. And the 5G networks are completely messing with planes apparently. So maybe that's gonna be a reason why UAL is also coming down. But I don't know. Shouldn't be. AT&T and Verizon should be hurt more than those. Let's go check out AT&T from the 5G news that came out yesterday, and it's still continuing today a little bit. So AT&T kind of just holding off in multiple day ranges still. So never mind on that side.
Prad, you mentioned there are airlines and their earnings. So guys, I remind you that every day we post our morning watch list. It's absolutely free. And I really advise you to add it to your bookmarks and check every day in pre-market and get prepared for the opening with us, guys. Again, here you can see UAL, AL, many more movers. Here's that APM that I'm shorting today, not only me. So literally it's absolutely free. It's a golden nugget for you, and all you need to register with your Google account.
Register with the Google account, indeed. I'm surprised people are even on YouTube without being on a Google account. Like, yes. There's no excuse for that anymore.
Yes, guys, if you're watching and you're not logged in, please do so, because if you log in, you can give us a like. And we are doing so good today. Just turned 12 p.m. and we're already at 787 likes. Looks like a record.
Yes, ma'am. 12 o'clock already. Beautiful. LAZR moving again. Let's go check out LAZR, ZR, whatever you guys want to say. Woohoo! Let's go. Ripping to the moon. Looks like we broke 16 finally, and properly this time. The failed breakout of 16 twice didn't matter because we found support at 1580 on the second turnaround over here, and now we're getting ready to move once again. See what the new high day will be. Wow, indeed, Miss V. Lack of a better word. So thank you for helping me out over there. Wow, wow, wow. What does the sound go for Sean? Wow, or something like that. I forget what the emoji he plays. Oh my God, that one. There you go. That's the one I was thinking about. Oh my God, and going up to the north side.
I believe awesome or something like this.
Awesome. We need some noise ones over here.
We need more.
Yeah, Rob's too busy only creating it for Sean and Neil over there. Rob doesn't like us.
Go short.
$18 looks like is what's standing out to me right now. Let's see if the stock eventually gets to 18. Currently 16.42. We're trading at 16.42. The EMA, what EMA is this? Looks like that's the 100 period EMA on the dailies, which is currently at $17, and 17 is also the volume point of control for all time. So that basically again stands for 1664 is the volume point of control for all time, and that basically means that's where most of the volume was transacted on that stock.
Prad, Dominic Familara again with some fire movers. APRN. This is Blue Apron Holdings, up more than 22% today, and actually has some news in here. Blue Apron shares are up after Citron research say it is long on company with $40 price target.
Which one is it? Sorry, what stock was it?
APRN.
APRN. APRN. Let's go check out APRN. Activision actually broke that low over there for 82, but obviously, as I mentioned, that the stock could go as low as all the way 81.50. So I'm not too worried if it does break 82. APRN, however, where's APRN at? 9 million shares, 22% to the north side. Looks like there's some size on $9 right now. We did break 9 previously to 9.21, but came back down, found support at 870 or so, and now trying to see if we can break back above $9 with some volume and momentum coming in. Obviously, lunchtime, 12 o'clock. It's 12:01 Eastern Standard Time. Let's see if APRN can find volume for the next hour or so, maybe allowing it to actually break 9 properly and go higher and higher. Prad, what's the best Maggi flavor? It's called Indian Masala. If you buy anything that's called not Indian Masala, you're messing up. You're doing yourself a big mistake, not a favor, and you need to go return that or throw that in the garbage if you can't return it. Hands down. And if you put carrots or peas in it, don't even send me a picture. If you put carrots, peas, anything other than the way that the thing comes, don't talk to me. Don't send me a picture. Hands down. No, I don't want to hear it. Not regular masala. I think it's masala. I think it's called masala. Sorry, yeah, masala. No carrots, no peas, nothing. I'm serious. I don't want to see the pictures on Discord. I'll delete it. A Microsoft short. Let's go check out Microsoft. Maggie to the moon. Oh, bro, tell me Maggie is public. Please tell me Maggie is public. I'm putting my money in whatever market they're trading in. No, it's not. It's not Maggie Beer Holding, just so if anyone thinking to put their money in. Okay, so Microsoft short, you're talking about market. Let's quickly take a look at the market. Looks like they don't have the gas in them to go back to the high side just yet. So Microsoft, you know, triple topping, quad topping, whatever you want to say. High a day being near 311. You could get short here and risk the high a day 311.60. Maybe get a move back to VWAP or so 309. You know, not much room to the downside either. I don't think we break VWAP to the downside today on Microsoft, but market's coming down right now, so let's see if that short ends up panning out to give you a decent, at least $1 per share on it. Bro, Maggie food of the gods. Is food of the gods. Oh, trust me. I actually haven't had Maggie in a while, so you guys are going to make me want to go eat Maggie today. So I'm probably going to have to go do that now. Thank you for that, guys. Yes, brother. TD Bank. TD on New York. Let's go check out TD. 600,000 shares on New York. Let's go check out what it's doing on TSX. 2 million shares on TSX. Let's go. Let's talk about it on TSX instead then. So 2.7 million shares on TSX. TD actually almost 1% up today, making a beautiful move off of yesterday's bottom, looks like, all the way up to 102.8 Canadian dollars. 102 Canadian dollars. Okay, this is on Toronto Stock Exchange. AMD, please. AMD, let's go check out AMD. AMD down on the day. Who downgraded AMD, and why would you downgrade AMD after somebody upgraded AMD? So I don't know what's going on over there. So AMD to the downside a little bit, negative on the day, while your market's like on an absolute tear. So I think I saw a comment earlier in the chat box which basically said, you know, your chip stock's a little bit overrated or overvalued still. I mean, I can understand that, but obviously you're paying for the future, especially on tech stocks like these, on Microsoft, on Apple, on AMD. You're paying for you're valuing the stock in the multiples for the future on these. I guess for everything that you're investing in, you're looking out for the future. So it could be overvalued.
Is trending
but it could be
on
more.
the chat.
Which one? DWAC? DWAC. Let's go check out DWAC. It is currently 11%. We did get a nice move to the north side. Volume candles came in too, surprisingly, after 12 o'clock. So obviously, let's see if this one can get another move all the way up to 88 or even 90. Flat on the day now. Sorry, 11% up on the day now. And pretty much gaining everything we dropped from yesterday, it looks like. Yeah. Beautiful. Pretty much gained back most of the move. I'm counting the candle, not the wick. Gained back most of the substantial move that the stock gave back, and now the rest of it is pretty much, you know, not much trading happened here. So we could rediscover some of these levels above here, or just trade sideways for a little bit before volume picks back up around 1 o'clock or so. Hey, Prad, are you ever going to try trading futures? I do trade futures from, depends though. Depends on the time of the day. Depends on, you know, where I'm trading. Obviously, over here, we have a lot more, what's it called? Equities people who trade options, who trade, you know, straight up stocks directly instead of futures. And also, I learned starting with futures. So long story short, I will, but just... I don't have a reason to right now. More of my money is coming from the markets itself. I don't really have a profitable setup on the markets the way Arun does, and I don't want to be venturing about it on the show. I'd much rather go learn on my own spare time, you know, where I can sit there, stare at the level 2s of just the market and nothing else. So I can't do that over here. I can't learn in front of you guys. Learning is for my own time.
Brad, earnings season is coming. it's already here, and we have a few names again on the board, guys. You see names after market today and before the open tomorrow. So yeah, you can remove me. So yes, guys, you can see names that are gonna report today after the market and tomorrow before the open. Obviously, the main one in here is Netflix. We're all super excited about that one. Let me make sure if it's NFLX, if it's aftermarket or before the open. And write in the comments if you are excited to trade any of those names. Netflix is today after the close, so tomorrow morning definitely it will be interesting name to watch at. And guys, I'm still at 8 p.m. I put an order to buy back my shares at 155 because I'm tired. It's getting boring, doing literally nothing, no volume really. And again, my entrance was at 162, and hopefully I will be able to buy back my shares at 155. And in case you just joined us, I also was trading Tesla, long on Tesla. I got at 10.27 and my last out was at 10.34. I mean, again, as I said before, I regret. I have some FOMO in here and having a paper hands. I haven't been able to hold all the way until here. But anyways, Tesla is now back to this 10.29 area, and let's see where it will go. Nasdaq is still up 1.53%, while S&P is up almost 1%. So guys, we still have positive day overall. Hopefully it will be like that until the end of the day, because as you remember, yesterday we made a poll. Markets were absolutely positive, and by the end of the day, they just crushed. And while Prad away, guys, let's make my favorite thing, like o'clock. We're now at 879 likes, super close to 1,000. You guys doing so great today. Thank you so much. And it would be great if we can get 1,000 before Prad comes, and he will be shocked and surprised and of course happy. So yes, team, if you didn't like this video, do it right now. Again, all right, 890, just 100 more likes. Thank you so much. And now let me pull up the chat and see, guys, what you want us to look at. Everyone talk about DWAC, Microsoft, Rivian. Maybe we can take a look at Rivian.
Did you see that?
No, I was busy.
I made a nice shot, guys. You guys should have seen it. I came back from the washroom, made a nice 3-pointer from a free throw level. So I guess I'll shut up. Any suggestions on Moderna? mRNA. Where's Moderna right now? Moderna did go as high as, it's ripping right now, almost back to positive. It is back to positive, actually. Flat. Where's resistance gonna be? It could start finding some resistance right now where it's at. 176 being the high. A day looks like 176.21 off the open. It did try to go higher right off the open, came back down, was in the negative, found support off of 170. It did go slightly below 170 also, but found support back at 170, and now trying to see if we can go back to test 176 or higher one more time. Let's see if we can actually break it.
Lol, I just figured out that all the time my face was not on, guys. If so, sorry for that. I don't know what happened.
Oh no, I hit it for the earnings.
Yeah, but then I was talking like about my trades and so on, and there was no my face. Sorry, team.
What trades were you looking at?
And just what I was trading today, Tesla and APM.
Right on, right on. Please bring your trades. Oh, that's for the training. Oh my God. What happened?
Guys, I just pulled up that crazy APM. You remember I was telling you that I'm going to sell all my shares in here at 155 because it's getting boring. Look what a spike. Oh my God, this is called a perfect timing.
Let's go. What's your target on that? WeWap?
What do you mean?
Where's your
no, I'm out of short.
Oh, you're out of a short. Oh, perfect. I thought you just got long.
No, I'm out of short.
Oh, even better. Let's go, Miss V. Let's go. The stock whisperer. I love it. DWAC to the moon. Is this still going? That was a nice exit on that part, on her part. DWAC did go to 87. We pinged 87 exactly, and we came back to the downside. Let's see if we get another volume over here. Bing bong, Palantir time. Yeah, we'll go to Palantir in a second. Bing bong. We'll go to Palantir in a second for sure. I did. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I'll send it. Yeah, just type in Bing Bong on YouTube. That'll be the first one. No. You'll be good. All right. So Palantir, we're going to talk about Palantir right now. Bouncing off, looks like still the same areas, you know, finding support 1530, 1520. As long as we found support over VWAP, I'm still going to be happy for it. You know, obviously, no Hail Mary support candle from Cathy Wood yesterday, I believe. So that never worked out. And today, I don't think we're going to see one today again. That is testing. That is, I mean, I guess it's testing support, which has support for all day. We need, you know, obviously the test of $4, not the support test. So let's see if we can actually get closer to $4. We're looking for a volume spike. It's only 12.15. More volume can come up in there. Palantir is such an exciting stock to watch. Yawn. What the? Bruh, don't say that. I love Palantir. Don't say that. All right, APRN short taking forever. NY, APRN on NY. It's working right now. Well, we're already down quite a bit from that $9 level. So if you're short risking the high day 921 or even just straight, high day 921, then you're already in the money. Let's go. Microsoft short work. Yeah, the market is on a trend towards downside, lower lows, lower highs, all the way back to VWAP. Nice and slow trend. So I like that. Up more on this one than that one. Wow. Okay, let's go check out his play. I don't know if anyone took this play that the buddy called out. He called out the short of 950. 950. Oh. Oof.
So annoying.
Which one, Miss V?
I again forgot to remove my stop loss and I got into long trade, guys, right at the top. Okay, I will try to get out right now.
Yeah. That's what I like to hear. Look at her coming up with the answers herself. I don't even have to say it. I love it. Why is Rivian dead today? Hasn't Rivian been dead for a while now? There's a reason why I haven't even touched Rivian trades for a reason. It's you know, obviously 10 million shares. It is cracking to the downside. It is starting to go find new price levels where new buyers could be and so on. And I rather let it discover its own price before I go and I mess with it. Rivian, I think obviously it's gonna most likely go to $50 if you ask me, but that's just my opinion. If it doesn't go to $50, it's still a decent spot for buyers to load up at these levels because it was after the IPO at $180. So, you know, I think Rivian eventually gets back above $100. But first, let's see them deliver cars. Let's see them actually make money and not be in debt. They're about $1 billion in debt, if I remember correctly what Brandon said on the earnings day. I think they said they had about $999,000 made off of cars so far, and they are about $1 billion in the negative. They're pretty much running red, most likely going to be running red for another 3-4 years. And on that note, I don't know if they're going to do it, get back above to all the way 150, 180s, but I think eventually 100 makes sense. Eventually. AMC tomorrow 22. Obviously, I'm not a crystal ball. You can rub my head all you want, but no answers are going to come out like that. You know, obviously, the only answer I can come out with, let's see if AMC can even crack above 20 to begin with. So AMC today struggling to even get above 20. If AMC can get above 20 today, there's a chance we get to 22. There's a chance we never get to 22, even if AMC gets above 20 today. So anything is, you know, possible. And that's why I don't like to predict, you know, levels like that on stocks. I can tell you what I like to see on the intraday, and I turned off C-Ball. You guys abused C-Ball too much yesterday. I just turned it off. I gave you guys a clear warning, man. I gave you guys a beautiful warning. I said, don't abuse C-Ball or we're going to take it out, and it's gone. So goodbye, C-Ball. Only I can use C-Ball now. DWAC, thoughts on DWAC? Yeah, we'll pull back DWAC. But AMC, you know, obviously, it needs to be above 20 today, and if AMC doesn't get above 20 today, then maybe we don't see 22 tomorrow. DWAC, I was going to pull up DWAC, but I'm almost 100% sure it hasn't done what I want to see, and it hasn't. So I want to see it closer to 87 and actually breaking 87. SoFi broke 16 to the downside this time. Yeesh. So it looks like we are forming a top at 1650 on SoFi right now. And getting back to the downside, finding support at 1580 would be great. Let me show you the trend line. Something I would be drawing is like that. If we can form support on this trend line, I think there's still more room over here. You know, we're only at 1219 today. There's still, I'm not doing the math right now, but there's still quite a bit of hours left on the day for 4 o'clock. And when power hour kicks in, I would like to see if SoFi finds, you know, investors, hedge funds, an imbalance on close maybe for SoFi for going long. Who knows, you know, right? Anything's possible. I love just putting out a bunch of scenarios in front of me and then asking myself, how would I deal with this scenario? How would I deal with that scenario? And go with that. Brother Lucid, one time thanks. I got you, my boy. Lucid. Let's go check out LCID. Lucid Motors down, positive on the day still, 2.3%, but looks like it wants to crack to the downside a little bit. We are currently slightly below $41. Stocks struggling to hold at 41 on the bids, so that's not a good indication because the markets are getting ready to go back to VWAP right now. So if NQ not VWAP, but if NQ and SPY go all the way back down to VWAP currently, there is a chance that, you know, Lucid Motors over here probably starts going even more to the downside. Looking at Activision real quick, let me go see what Activision wants to do. Kind of in pain territory right now. You know, obviously, we don't want to turn our Are we even positive on this stock? We're flat on this stock. We don't really have many trades over here. So we don't want to put this on the negative side for us. You know, obviously, we want to help us out. We did go long here. We added all the way, and pretty much going to be adding all the way up to 8150. And then if 8150 breaks, we're going to be out of this one. At the same time, let me just layer some orders out on the north side. $81, $91, $92. Awesome. Okay, where are we going to next? Ride. We already talked about Ride. Let's go pull it up again. Lordstown, obviously, getting a little bit of a move to the downside again. You know, we did try to be positive for a little bit. We were positive for a little bit, but once again, negative now, almost down a whole percent. Not sure where support can be, but we're pretty much close to all-time lows, right? Ride. Yeah, all-time lows, new price point discoveries should be coming in around these levels. What is C-Ball? C-Ball is just crystal ball, but you guys can't use it anymore because you guys abuse the crap out of it. So goodbye, crystal ball. Sean's laughing over there. Yeah, that's what happens, man. You know, you can't give good things to people. You give good things to people, and they just take advantage of it. I'm gonna teach my kids with this example. You know, Sean says exactly. There you go. Yeah, like can't have nice things, man. Can't have nice things these days. What's going on? Some of my orders are kicking in. Some of my orders are also not kicking in, and they're just going all over the place. All right, where are we going to? Are you scared to trade with real money? This is real money, bro. What are you talking about? We're all trading with real money here, and Miss V will very soon be with real money and probably do way better than me because she's killing it these days. Let's go, Miss V. Let's go. What the heck just happened? No, they really? No way. I had a big order that took away all my size. Oh, man.
People miss that C-Ball.
They're calling you C-Ball?
No, they're like, C-Ball, will we ever see you again?
They miss C-Ball, huh? Oh, don't abuse things next time. All right, coming back to Ride. We finished Ride. Let's go check on Uber. We haven't talked about Uber today. You know, obviously, Miss V and I's transportation of choice, Uber and Lyft. So if Uber was listening or Lyft's listening, we'll take free vouchers anytime, man. We spent anywhere. I don't know about Miss V. I promise you I spent $300 a month on just Ubers. Just Ubers.
I'm not not taking I'm not taking over stat.
No, I am. I said I am. I'm not saying you, just me. Yeah.
All right, probably me too.
It costs me every day $10, at least $10. Just like it's $10 to $13. So every day I have to take that Uber ride home. So it's $10 to $13. And when you add that up, I'm spending money way too much.
I know.
So it is what it is. But the point is, Uber's gonna make a lot of money from me.
Right?
So buy long, go long Uber.
Hopefully you have a lot of stars in there. Like, you know, the drivers also
I have a bad rating.
Bad rating?
I have a bad rating.
I think I have bad rating too.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I'm so nice.
I don't like talking to the drivers. I hate it. They just annoy the crap out of me.
Kind of same here.
Yeah, they annoy the crap out of me. Bro, buy an e-bike. You want me to e-bike from Brampton to Toronto? Okay, do yourself a favor. Open Google Maps and type in where Brampton is and then type in where Toronto is. No one's e-biking all the way across the city, bro. Come on.
People say it's still cheaper than owning a car. So good then.
Oh, that is cheaper, yeah. But you can't e-bike in winter. Electronic bike in winter while there's like snow everywhere.
No.
Good luck with that.
I saw. You remember there was that crazy snowy day? Literally, guy was driving a bicycle. His face was all red, but he was riding a bicycle.
Yeah, I don't know how people do that. That's wild. That's absolutely wild. All right, has Zila reached its lowest point in your opinion? Any stock lowest point or highest point is obviously depends on the buyers and sellers. This is a penny stock. I can't give you my opinion on how low a penny stock could go because it could go to zero. It could go to delisting, right? So there's a big no-go for penny stocks for me. There's a reason why, I filter my here, I'll show you what this one looks like. There's a reason why I filter these windows to at least $1 or more. Like if a stock's below $1, I don't even want to look at it. And it's just not worth my time. Miss V, congrats on going live next week. Is it next week? No, soon.
Hopefully next
Hopefully
week.
next week?
Hopefully
Okay,
next
I
week.
didn't even know that.
I need to talk to Neil, to Greg a little bit.
Let's go.
Do this, do that. Also, I don't know if it's gonna take a few hours. You know how people need to kind of accept new user.
Yeah.
It's very soon.
Let's
I'm so
go.
excited. You will be the first who will find out that I'm live.
We're gonna have a party, Miss V going live party.
Miss V first lose real money.
Yeah. You get spikes for the tire, dude? What? Okay, check out Costco one more time. Has Costco gone through 500 is the question. Nope. It actually got rejected from the 500. Costco, why are you doing this to yourself? Obviously, market's not really getting ready to go all the way through and just keep on ripping. We were up 2% on NASDAQ at one point. Now we're only up 1.5%. I don't know why I use only. I guess I shouldn't be using the word only. No, Activision. Come on, dude. Are you kidding me? Look what one mistake caused me. I didn't know I had too many orders sitting here. Activision, I got rid of most of my size by mistake, and now Activision's ripping to the north side. The way that I planned my trade out is actually happening. That's pretty upsetting. Whatever, we're just gonna hold on to see if we can get back to VWAP on this one. Good thing though, the strategy that we had is still the same idea, is sticking to the plan. Darn it, man, I made the same mistake over there today as yesterday.
Sorry to hear, Prad. Maybe that kind of will be good news. We have a super chat from Steve Mertz. Thank you so much, Steve, for your super chat. I hope you are having a profitable day. Prad, thoughts on SOPA? Bird in it and have been back holding for a month. What can I do other than wait for more volume? Thank you in advice. I know we were talking about SOPA already today, but maybe we can look at it again after you manage your positions.
What is going on?
Wow.
What is going on? What is going on? No. I'm sweating right now just because I'm out of my trade and I don't have any shares. I'm crying. Come on, Activision. Whatever, move on. Let's just move on about it so we don't make little baby noises over here in front of 50 million people.
Yeah, we just got super chat in terms of SOPA.
SOPA. Let's go look at SOPA. And AMC, when I pulled up AMC at perfect time, it's at 666. Okay, let's go check out SOPA. SOPA. Perfect timing on that one. SOPA from the super chat coming in hot, slightly below VWAP. I thought we would be above VWAP on this one because previously when we did pull up this position, we were above VWAP. VWAP. So now SOPA, throw another order. Throw another order. Okay, got it. Okay, so SOPA, you know, still positive on the day. It is above, below VWAP. It is above, however, the 50-period EMA. Volume kind of decreasing into lunchtime. I guess in the next half an hour or so, volume can pick back up and be great for SOPA. What is going on this stock? And this stock just immediately came back down. Okay, we'll pull up this one after the other one. SOPA, but here we go. 2.8 million shares. We want volume to pick back up after lunchtime, which we have another 30 minutes for. Looking for levels, obviously. I think I mentioned the $7 level according to the daily chart. So there's a level on 15 for me. That's the IPO day level. Clearly, that means I used to trade this stock. I don't even remember that. Yeah, this right here kind of stands out. I guess 664 and then the obvious 7. And we're just looking at it on the 5-minute chart. So look at 664 kind of where it bounced off of 650, 664, 669 actually where it bounced off of today. So pretty close to that. And we would love for volume to come back up and take it back north. DWAC broke 86. Okay, 87 though is the level that we're looking for, not 86. Take a breather and don't rush into the trades. Yeah, I had to stop looking at it. No way, this happened again. What? No way. So the stock actually came all the way down and it went all the way back up. I'm just mind-boggled right now looking at the stock on my right eye over here. Jesus, the stock is nuts. But you guys get the idea, right? Look at the beautiful setup that Activision's giving everyone in front of the $82, in front of the $81.50 level. If you are long at 82 on Activision and you're not going all the way to $81.50 with that long, you're making a big mistake. A big mistake. Obviously, if $81.50 breaks, then you just take that loss and move on. But this is the opportunity the stock is presenting to you. I was talking to Neil about this too. If this deal goes through in a year and closes at $95, you know the stock is going to go to $95. You go long right now and close it after a year or less than a year for anywhere up to $90 or $95. You know, you're pretty much getting a $10 move in less than a year. That's guaranteed. Guaranteed. As long as the deal goes through. AMD blast off. Let's go look at this. Yes, sir. High day. AMD in the positive now. This is what we want. You know, I'm probably the biggest AMD fan out there in the world, and I love seeing AMD in the green. Let's go, chip makers. Just prove everybody wrong that you're not overvalued. You're actually undervalued and you're going to be $10,000 in the future. Or I'll take that joke back. That was a stupid joke anyways. But AMD, man, I'm just happy it's in the positive. Let's see if 130 comes into play today. Not sure if it does, but if 130 comes into play today, that's going to be insane.
Mm-hmm. The Playmaker 88 actually brought some fun headline to us, so maybe we can take a look at crypto. New York City Mayor Eric Adams said he's going to receive his paycheck and it will be converted into Ethereum and Bitcoin. Would you love to get your salary converted into Bitcoin and Ethereum?
I'll take a quarter of my salary in Bitcoin. Sean, you want to do that?
I asked that a long time ago.
I'm putting you on.
Hey, Lucas. Okay, it's on now. Hold on. We're testing out some new mics here, so apologies if it does get blasted there. But yeah, just like some of the NFL players, and I think some of the boxers, I think maybe Logan Paul or somebody took some of the payments in Bitcoin as well. I know Aaron Rodgers is taking, I think, $1 million of his salary in Bitcoin. So for yours, you want what, a quarter? So that's like same kind of thing. You're talking about 6-figure Bitcoin deposit there. No, I don't even own that much Bitcoin. So, but good look on that. I did want to give a quick update here. We are long Microsoft. So we're still long Vinco Ventures. We waited all day for this, literally. We went long there when it started to get going. We finally take our 15 cents. Our stop is back here at 4, but we should have got out at 450 when it popped, 440 when it popped up here, knowing that high of the day. So that's Vinco Ventures. We're just keep reloading UiPath down here. since we haven't done much since we've gone off the air. We've got lunch. We've reloaded some of these trades. We're on UI path now, long at 10s, well, so 9s. That's working as well, BBIG. And then right when you called me, man, you actually cost me a little bit of money. I was just about to reload Microsoft down here on this play, but we'll see, or actually not down there, that's the bottom. 310 there, 309.90 or so, but now we're long Microsoft. Let's see if it can hold. Microsoft up 2.27. We've liked it all day today, and if the futures can get going here, we definitely like that opportunity. So let's see if Microsoft goes. And Prad, I just put my sticky note in the chat. When it's slow, you can have a look there because you were just talking about AMD, but I hope this sounded okay.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna quickly pull it up here. Trader TV Sean. Boop boop boopity boopity boop. What the heck is going on here? What the heck? Out on the 20 break AMC. Woo! All right, here we go. Let's take a look. AMD downgraded. Long working. Lucid working. AMC also working. Microsoft also working. Rivian 69 could be base for long for 72 break. I think Rivian is the only one that's still on the downside, but I'm sure he didn't even take the trade, right?
No, I would like it. I'll try to get 72 short.
Yeah. Yeah, so he didn't even... That is true. 72 level. It did not even break that. You could have gone short that. And then he had the 69. Could be a base. We're pretty much around that right now. 68, 69. Trading very close to that. I want to look at the AMD. Can't retest 130. Softy. MSFT is ripping right now. Let's go look at this. There we go. Off the VWAP bounce. 310. This is why I didn't really want to look for a short on Microsoft when you guys brought it up. I'd much rather wait for a long off of VWAP because the market's strong, man. You know, it only took me 1,300 times to listen to Miss V. Prad, don't fight the trend, my friend. And now I'm actually listening to it, so I'm not going to fight the trend. You know, much rather gone to long over here. I missed out on this one. I'm kind of upset. I should have pulled it up when Sean was actually talking about it, so I don't know why I didn't do that. So here we go, moving on. Microsoft back towards the high of day along with the market. SPY green lean machine candles coming in across the board. Let's go look at this one. 45.75 looks like we're bounced off of on the futures, and QQQ on NQ also looking like very green lean machine candles coming in. There we go, bouncing off of QQQ. Space made a new high a day, is apparently coming in from Dominic Famularo over there. It won't let me scroll on this stupid freaking box. I hate this Google box right now.
Talking about Dominic Famularo, he just recently typed look at APM, and indeed guys, APM broke VWAP to the upside, now back below, but I mean, I'm so glad I'm out right here, and here's my keystroke. Didn't affect me really, but yes, let's hear where this name is going.
Thank you, Miss V. So Space over here took out the high of day, obviously very close to $10. Let's see if we can actually get to $10 very soon. I don't know if your son's still there, Mr. Famularo. I wanted to give a shout out to your son. I know he was there yesterday. You said he went back to school. We missed out the call out over there. But hopefully you can record this snippet and send it to your son. Shout out to Dominic and his son over there. Even your wife, your newly wedded wife, my boy. You know, nice to always see you in the chat. Although I've been very distracted these days, just looking at all over the places.
Talking about why such a cute message on the chat. Nemo says, my wife Shauna's birthday today, so I only lost $100 for her.
Let's go.
Let's go, Nema. Happy birthday to Sean, to your wife, and hopefully you will make $100.
Let's go. Where are we going to next? Already covered Space. Miss V already covered APM. Lucid. Ooh, what? Just give me a fill. Activision gave me another fill. This time we're not going to chicken out of this one. I already know that, right? Right, Pratty boy? Awesome. Let's go get more fills on this one. Go back to the downside. Go back to the downside. Let me just throw out more orders. 98, 99. Awesome. And we'll do this. And we'll do that. And we'll cancel this. 97. Cool. LAZR breaking multi-day level soon. Trader Prad, any thoughts? LAZR. Multi-day level soon. I think you're talking about the 17 level. Maybe not. So I was previously talking about this bottom, which we already broke once, and we're kind of struggling to break it the second time, which is where the stock is exactly at 1645. Even though the high of the day is 1673, you know, that 1645 kind of stands out for me. Let's go to the yearly too. If you go to the yearly, so look at that, right? That 1645 really stands out. And then obviously 17 right after that. Nice and even number 17. Let's see if we can go tickle 17 and actually break through it, or are we going to get rejected from it? And then another even dollar right above it. Nice and flat, $18. 20 minutes left for the market. Sorry, not market to close, for lunchtime to be ending. So if lunchtime comes to an end and LAZR could pick up more volume, that'd be great for your longs, because that, you know, so far we haven't really retraced the VWAP and started trading sideways on the stock. So it looks like more momentum could just be in store.
Talking about lunch, Prad. For lunch, we're gonna have grilled chicken, surprise, with sun-dried tomato cream sauce, rice, and baby bok choy. Sounds really good, guys. If you're having for lunch anything tasty, wanna share, right in the chat what you are eating today.
Baby bok choy?
Yep.
What is a bok choy? I know it's an Asian thing, but broccoli?
Chinese broccoli.
Okay, I know it's like a Chinese thing, but I just don't know what it was. Super chicken, yeah, it looks like a super chicken day for me. No, actually, I saw Tony eating, and Tony was eating rice and chicken, so I was like, that's fine, I'll eat that. So no super chicken today. But actually, I haven't had super chicken for like a week or two now. I have these. They keep giving me these air fresheners. I don't know if I even want them. I don't even have a car. Miss me, you want one?
Yes. I hope they smell like chicken.
Okay? They don't smell like chicken.
We're gonna try it right now.
All right, Miss V's gonna open it.
It would be so dope if it smelled like chicken. Imagine.
If it smells like chicken, I'm gonna go buy it.
It's such a.
I know. I hope it does it.
No, interesting.
Yeah, it smells like yeah.
Ooh, I will put it in here, so
you know,
we always have it fresh.
Yeah,
guys,
you know,
it's like a little Cupid chicken kid, and says super chicken. Oh, it's for Valentine's Day. Oh.
There you go.
So sweet. Present.
There you go. You know, I actually think it's a good idea, because let's say if you were to take super chicken in your car, I think it would probably stink up your whole car like super chicken. So they give you this air freshener to hang in your car so it doesn't stink like a fried chicken all the time.
Right.
So Miss V has it hanging over her ring light right now, right in front of her monitor. It actually smells pretty good.
Yeah.
My hand smells nice. I like it.
Prad, use it as a perfume.
What's
your perfume?
My super chicken. Oh, I love it. I love that. What's your perfume? Super chicken.
Yeah.
What's your lunch? Super chicken. I'll send her flowers and DoorDash. Whoa, dude, chill out, man.
La la. I love
Everyone sending Miss V flowers.
But only Justin sent me.
Happy meal.
Right.
15 minutes, then headache. Oh, man, don't say that. Come on, Space. Go, go, go. $10 waiting for you. SPCE. So I was actually going to talk about laser, obviously, $17. Let's see if we can get up there, but struggling near 1640. Let's go to SPCE. I messed up. SPCE on New York. $10 coming in very soon, but I think we see rejection at 10 without a doubt. Even if 10 breaks, probably 10.08 is the highest you'll see, and then it goes back down to the south side. So we'll see if that ends up being the way that I planned it out, or am I going to be wrong on this call out of SPCE. I have Safe Moon. What do you think about it? I don't have any opinions about Safe Moon. Super Chicken car fragrance. Okay, dude. Okay, Playmaker. Prad, I like it. I know I've heard that before, so it's not the first time, but I like it. Prad thinks Valentine's Day is a good idea. I don't know about that. I don't really believe in Valentine's Day. Maybe because I'm single.
I'm reading the.
What's up?
You have us. No worries. I'm reading the chat and I'm getting so hungry. People literally shared what they eat, and I'm getting hungry.
What was the thing that made you hungry? Anything in specific?
For example, bacon and egg toast and tomatoes.
Oh, that sounds so good right now. That sounds so good. LMND, Lemonade. I could go for some Lemonade right now. 1.2 million shares on Lemonade. Where is the stock going to? Can I get me charts? Can I get me charts, mate? There we go. There me charts. LMND 8% up right now. Trying to find support at 50 period EMA / VWAP. Looks like $34 VWAP, 50 period EMA, all coming in to help the stock find support. Also, you know, ranges high are off pre-market from yesterday, consolidation high from the day before that, and another consolidation period from the day before that. So multiple reasons why the stock is holding up over here on Lemonade. But obviously, we've been giving back quite a bit of the moves across the market and on Lemonade too. So all-time lows, 33 bucks, all-time lows. Let's see if we can reclaim any of these levels north side today. A 35 test would be great. High a day 34.60 at the moment. Market looking to go higher. Maybe market can get back to the high a day at the moment. I don't know if it can, but if it does, that'd be insane. And Lemonade trying to see if it can find buyers. Almost 1K likes. Sheesh. I'll let Miss V take care of that whenever she wants.
Just 15 more.
50 more?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right. We're going to, wow. Before 1 o'clock, we're going to get 1K.
So cool.
That's pretty cool.
Guys, you're doing amazing today.
That's pretty cool.
I was also only just replying to Alex Enzo, saying that he's starving, but last thing he need is dads to tank on him so he can get up. Well, Alex, I wish dads will go your direction as soon as possible, and you will go get some food. We don't want you to starve.
Are you by any chance related to the Ferrari family?
Me?
No, Enzo.
Oh.
Alex Enzo. So for Enzo is actually the last name or the first name, sorry, of the guy who created Ferrari.
Wow.
His name is Enzo Ferrari, I think.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Never knew.
I think that's his name. Named after company's founder Enzo Ferrari. Yeah, there you go. Enzo Ferrari is the
1K likes. Shimmy, 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 shimmy.
Indian
Hope
dance
you
today.
Are shimming with a new dance. Every day you give us a new dance. Thank you. You spoil us. Thank you so much, guys, for 1,000 likes before 1 p.m. This is a great result, and we appreciate you so, so much.
Let's go. All the love, all the appreciation. We just love you guys. You guys know that. I don't have to tell you that. All right. Cost broke 500. All right, awesome. Costco finally breaking 500. Moving back north side looks like. No, it didn't. You're lying to me. Fine. We're going to flip away from this stock then just because you lied to me. All right, race. What's going on here? We got a special notice.
Looks scary.
When you... Oh, my goodness. Really, bro? Really, bro?
I want to read too.
Really, bro? Don't show it on chat.
Sure.
Don't show it on chat.
No.
All right, Prad. What's the national dance of the day? Yeah.
Even if you have one hand.
Okay, Miss V. You don't have to read it out, Miss V. Come on. Okay. Lucid going back to the downside here. Actually breaking the low a day, breaking pre-market supports. Let's see if we can find any buyers on this one. Obviously, I think we could go all the way to $40 and then actually find support there for Lucid Motors. So let's see if that happens. You know, the Saudis are still not closing any of their portfolio. I guess it's only been 1 day, so why would they? We'll give them about a half a year maybe to see if they start selling or not. Moving to, I'm married to the stock. Oh, don't say that. Don't use those words. You know, if you ever recognize yourself using the words as I'm revenge trading, I'm married, I'm going to do this because I have to be right, immediately kick yourself out of the trade. At least that's how that's what I like to do. But if you have proper risk management on that trade and you just want to be a little greedy, then go for it. You know, no risk, no Rari. You got to risk it for the Rari sometimes. Enzo is the first name. Prad, yeah, I got that one.
Prad also, I believe we were talking about Palantir, but maybe we can take another look because Henry even typed for me in Russian for us to take a look at the Palantir. He reloaded on that name, and Palantir having a great day, up more than 5%.
Let's go check out Palantir. Palantir, where is it we're going to? Palantir north side, so 5% obviously, holding a VWAP slightly above VWAP actually on the 50-period EMA at $15.30. So beautiful holding off these levels over here. Let's see, obviously 5% up. Can we get higher and higher and higher? I think I own Palantir at $18.40, so I'm pretty much bleeding right now on this one. Peloton crashed. Let's go, wow. Peloton. Sheesh. What? What's going on? Peloton, let's go. Hey, who said Prad was wrong about Peloton? What's going on, boys? Come on. Where the buyers at? Where the support at? Where the levels at? Everything's getting go shopped. Holy moly. What is going on here? Do we have a news on this week?
Peloton to halt production of its bikes, treadmills as demand wins. CNBC, the source.
Halting production, increasing price of products that people already don't want to pay for, dwindling subscription baseline. Oh my goodness. I guess I should just stop talking about Pradaton then, because if Peloton's not going to work, clearly Pradaton isn't going to work. Bye-bye, Peloton. We'll see you at $17 very soon, my friend. Goodbye. Peace out. Peace out, Peloton. My goodness, this is nuts. Do I even want to short this right now is a question. What level can I find something? Here goes Peloton, boys. Look at this selling. Look at this market. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Peloton, retail Peloton to halt production of its bikes, treadmills as demand wanes. Oh, my rug pull on Peloton. It's going to halt. It's going to halt. Oh, it's going to be a fake halt. Wow. I'm going to get in on a halt. If it halts, I'm getting in. If it halts, I'm going to get in. If it halts, I'm going to get in. Please halt. Please halt. Please halt. It was about... There we go. Oh, fake halted again? It fake halted twice, dude. It fake halted twice. Let's get, guys, I'm sorry I can't even talk because I'm trying to focus, so I will try to speak anything that just goes on my mind. Right now, I'm just trying to see where size is being built up. Look at these guys. They're just piling up on the offer to sell anything that's possible. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I should have just taken it. Oh, I'm such a clown. What am I doing? Okay, there we go. Halting. Halt. I want to see more size build up. Here we go. Here we go. Give me. Come on. Yes. No, don't fake on me. No, you. Come on, dude. Go back into the halt zone. Come on, go back into the halt zone and drop. Just drop like a rock. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. It's got to. There we go. Woo! We're in it. Awesome. Let's go, chat. Let's add this to our watch list right now, adding it to the imbalance locator. How low are we going to drop on this one? Let's go. What a fun time to be a day trader, guys. Welcome to Trader TV Live, where we trade stocks, have fun, educate, entertain, all of the above. If you're not entertained right now, I don't know what else I could do. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing words. Let's go, Peloton. Where's it going to open at? 28.13? That's not too much of a drop. Come on, I want to see a way bigger drop than that. Holy moly, let's go. How low can it go? We're going to $17 tonight at this pace. What do you mean? We're on SSR too. Keep that on mind now that the stock has dropped $10, guys. We're on SSR, so this stock is most likely going to open much lower than where it halted, and then it's going to probably keep on going to the downside, right? Because where buyers going to stop, and also shorting this is going to be harder now because obviously SSR, you cannot short the stock when it's on SSR by taking out liquidity on the bids. You have to get picked up on the offers. Holy moly, man. Oh, I need some air over here. I just started sweating. Sheesh. Just started sweating. So $28. We're going to be almost $30 in profit if this opens anywhere 20 or 28 or lower. Let's go, guys. Thank you for that call out. Whoever called out that Peloton, I should have opened up earlier. Who?
Chat
is the best, hands down. Whoever called it out, you're a savior, boys. Come on. Yeah, let's go to Sean. He's got his full jacket on. He's freezing.
Tiger and I were about to go get a coffee here, and then I came over to talk to Brendan and Neil quickly, and then I was like, what the hell? I saw, yeah, they got the jacket on. You know, it's minus 15 here. you know, yeah, that's fine. But yeah, so anyways, I just looked. Good thing, man. Like, I'm long at 40. You guys know we talked about Peloton off that, like, crazy, trying to think it was going to get bought out. I have no idea what that means. Like, pausing, like, connected fitness. Like, I don't know what that means exactly. They're pausing. I don't know. Like, if your business is bikes, I don't understand this. So they're either, like, closing up shop or what. I don't know why. I feel like this is not going to be a true story. I'm not just saying that because I'm long Peloton, and I'm not. I'm long very, very small amount. I actually just checked in my account. It's embarrassingly small. But the point is that it's going to be wrong on obviously any kind of a buyout, as Peloton right now touching $28. So I'm with you, Prad. I'm short right now. I tried to get short on all the way down, and I just never hit any market keys. Eventually it halts, and we get into the position. So right now we're short with you here on Peloton. I have an order to get out on open. So it's already it looks like it's tapping 28. So you and I, anybody that's short right now, should be able to get a 28 print off open. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to get out 30% of this. Yeah, exactly. You like that Macklemore thrift shop. Yeah. If you knew what kind of jacket this was, it wouldn't be a thrift shop type of jacket. But we'll be going back down to the downside here. And what's up to Playmaker? Sorry about your Cowboys, bro. I mean, I was trying to tell you about Dak, and I know you and I had conversations over the weekend, so I feel bad for, I mean, look, there's no more hardcore fans, honestly, than Dallas. I mean, all those memes, people crying and everything. I hope you weren't one of those, my man. But, okay, 2750. Bradley, 2750, baby. Here we go. Let's go. I may make more on this trade than I am losing in my own account, so this is good here on Peloton. That's right, Bradley. We're reloaded. Let's go. As we go down the downside, let's see what happens here. This should be at least $1 worth of a winner, so let's go, guys. We're back in the building. We're back in business right now. BBIG, Peloton. The dream is alive, and the dream is real. Kill it, Bradley.
Okay, I'm reloaded. We're here, boy. Let's go. 2750. Let's go lower. 15-minute halt. We'll come back to it in a minute. I gotta calm down a little bit. I gotta bring my emotions back a little bit. Breathe, Prad. Woosah, ooh, woosah, ah. We're ready for this day, man. Let's go. What a time to be alive. Miss Lee, are you having fun?
I am having fun. It's so interesting, guys.
She's having fun,
just,
she said.
Observing it all. That's so crazy. And that's what markets are. That's
Indeed.
why we do all of this, guys. When something happens, this is crazy.
Indeed. I'm having so much fun right now.
Yeah,
Come
I
on.
hope, guys,
Sorry,
if you were long on a firm, I'm very sorry for that. Hopefully you were able to get out sooner. And what's going on?
Sorry, yeah, that was my fault, Miss V.
Good.
What? Affirm too, yo. Affirm. Check on Affirm. Oh my God. Let's go. Do I get in more? I don't know. Do I get in more? Are they going to give me more? Come on, baby. Fill me. Ah, you kidding me? Ah. Come on, dude. What is going on? What is going on? Affirm.
Easy.
What is... Are we... That's... Neil?
These new mics, and I want to put myself on. Virgin Galactic rolled over. A lot of these names rolled over at the same time here. So I don't know. There was some liquidity there to get in the second time on Peloton. I got out some of the, like, this is an idiot move right here. I got some of that out on the reopen and then took some out before the halt. And I was like, well, why don't we take more? Just keep a couple of things in mind. I kind of feel like if this story is an internal document saying they're halting production, at some point, they could easily halt the stock, news pending. And that's when you're making this trade here, which is in the halt, we're playing volatility halts, expecting a 5 or 10 minute open up. But if they say, we're just going to halt this stock and wait for the company to comment on this, then you're in a news halt, and that's a different ballgame. So I'm going to continuously take profit out rather than just sit there and figure I'm holding it for the end of the day, because my concern would be, Imagine this is like nothing or something along those lines, or imagine they have a clarification which matters. I just don't want there to be a news halt and then all of a sudden you've thrown away the profit. But what an unbelievable move! It's just now I was trying to get some shorts and then I got caught one time trying to go like a fake halt long and said forget it. We're only going to go wait for that halt short. So I'm taking profit all the way down here. I have no idea where the bottoms are going to be. Technical levels might not matter in this particular case. Crazy, crazy action at lunchtime. 25 tap. This is getting ugly, man. Ugly.
I can't wait for the conversations I'm gonna have tonight, man. Oh boy, I've been so bearish on this stock, and I've been getting absolutely yelled at everyone and anyone on Twitter. And today is gonna be my day. Supreme King Prad, Bear Prad at the top of the mountain. Yes, Bear Prad on the top of the mountain today. Peloton, man. I think we're seeing $17 today. No doubt, we're gonna see 17 today. Like, look at the way we're going. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts.
Real quick, it's related to Peloton. We've got a super chat from Rafik. Thank you so much, Rafik. Peloton M&A incoming. A firm gets a huge amount of revenue from Peloton, so they are down too.
Yeah, that makes sense. I was actually wondering why Peloton, sorry, a firm. Shares. Wow, okay, so that makes sense. So, obviously Neil's just reaffirming what the super chat said and Miss V said, that they were about 60%? No, when the firm came to market, it was like 33%. So when a firm came to market, they were about 33% of just straight up Peloton. So now if Peloton's coming down, obviously makes sense why a firm's getting crushed with them. Man, obviously I'm a way bigger fan of a firm than I am of Peloton. So, and the fact that I don't even know that hurts me because now a firm's going to be in my SHIT list. I don't care about a firm too.
No. By the way, Brad, do you know the price it's going to open
at? Which one?
Peloton. 26
right now. It says Peloton's going to open at 26. And where did it halt at? Around 26.33 or something, 26.58. So as Neil mentioned, instead of holding the bag over here, we're going to get out every single halt open and try to get in every single halt. We're playing the volatility bands. We're playing the opening of the volatility and closing of the volatility. So as you saw, I got in on the halt, I got out on the halt. So we're basically using our company order types, the direct access keys that we have that allow us to take advantage of these extra gateways that normal retail traders most likely don't have the advantage to. So thank you for the market on open. I'm out of there. The next time the stock opens up, whatever the price it opens up at, I'm gonna have another exit. I'm gonna hold another half of my basket for a bigger move to the downside. I should have smashed the size on this one. This sucks. Miss V, I should have smashed the size on this one.
And you guys should smash the like button.
Good job, Miss V. Good job. Bro, can we see $20 today? I think we're going to see 25, 20, whatever it is. I think we're going to see it. It's going to be a beautiful day. Just made the day on a firm. Let's go, man. Market's getting crushed, obviously, because of that news. Let's go see what AMD, NASDAQ is doing in general. AMD still, AMD back in the negative right now, but still looking good. QQQ back to VWAP on the 3-minute, and SPY's almost back to VWAP on the 3-minute. Peloton will reopen at 107. We're at 101. Really? 107? Let me just open Peloton on this screen over here. That way I can watch it. Peloton. PTO and open. We're open. We're open. We're open. Okay. Are we going to halt again? Much lower. So, wait. Did my order not fill? Oh, my God. My order did not fill. There, we got that. We got that. Can we go much lower? We're halting again. There we go. We're halting again. Oh, baby. No, that was a fake halt. Sheesh. Thank goodness I decided to not do anything on that halt. Oh, my God. Oh, we're going to go right back into the fake halt. Prad, I want to get in so bad. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. We're just going to hold the rest of these shares. I really have no shares left right now, but we're going to hold the rest of it for the end of the day because for our entry, I don't think I have to worry about it. Even if the stock comes back all the way to my entry, I really don't care. Well, this is nuts. Let's go, Peloton. 25 is being tested right now on the offer. Let's see if 25 gets... no, we're not going to go above 25. Where's the next halt zone? Right here. Right here. Right... oh, we got fake halts after fake halts. This is why I'm not going to wait for it. What is a fake halt? When a stock is almost about to halt itself and it stops halting, that's a fake halt. And you can tell that because the stock starts only printing one number, and then you see the bid or the ask getting higher and higher and higher, but then the stock never halts and it reverses directions. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Insane moves, man. I love it. Beautiful. 24 coming into play. Halting at 24. Are we going to stick this halt? Size increasing. We're going to... I'm going to have to try this one. I'm going to have to try this one. They gave it to me. Wait, I'm long on this halt? No, get me out. Get me out. Oh, no. No. It flipped me long. No. No. Hopefully I can get out. I'm going to mark it on open, get out on this one anyway. So thankfully that size wasn't too much. Goodness gracious. And I could not even flatten that trade either. Yuck. That's ugly. Mark it on open. Mark it on open. Thankfully, I don't have too much size on this flip. Oh, that sucks, man. Hopefully, I don't give back too much on this one. Rookie mistake indeed. Rookie mistake. That's fine, though. I got filled. Halt price, yeah, 24.01. And then, yeah, we're good. We're good. Yeah, we're good. I'm getting a market on open anyways. Whatever it hits me, it hits me. I'm not crying. We already had a big day on Peloton. At best, we give back a little bit of it for a rookie mistake. That's fine with me. Moving on, right? Moving on. Is SoFi a buy? I think SoFi, obviously, coming down right now. Back to 1550 because of the market. QQQ, back below VWAP right now for QQQ. There we go. I didn't think market would actually go below VWAP, but looks like Peloton and Affirm over here bringing that stock down a little bit. Let me bring this one back here. Please stay at 24. Please stay at 24. Guys, pray for me, because if it opens at 24, I actually make money or end flat instead of losing money. So pray for me, please. I will love you. Is this the right key? Yes, it is. If you're listening to me, yes. Nasdaq buy, move, regular open, yes. Print screen. All right, 24. Do I still have my order? How many size? Okay, please don't burn me. Peloton is a good buy now. Yeah, bro, Peloton is a great buy in these areas, obviously. Look at the tap. Oh, baby. Oh, we're actually going to make money on the halt? Yo! Let's go, dude. Let's go. We're going to make money on a mistake? What in the... All right. We got halted at 24. The stock wants to open a full $1 higher from where we halted. Am I really... Yo, lottery ticket tonight. Yeesh. What is going on right now? What is going on? Pray for me, but love 666. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right, man. This is way too much. I can't handle it. We need to... The time can go to 12, 1, 2 o'clock because I need to take a mental break. My mental capacity shot.
Valeriia's in the building.
Valeriia's in the building. My mental shot.
Yeah, I'll handle. I mean, where is this? Oh, there it is, right there. Oh, she's in TMS. That's right. I can't even see a live stock here. But yeah, what a crazy move that was.
That was nuts.
I mean, that first halt was absolutely insane. I mean, that's exactly what you want to do. And I actually, what's up to Tony the Tiger? He ran there and we went and got a coffee. And I almost missed that trade.
Yeah, I was surprised you wearing a jacket. I was like, dude, what's going on?
I was literally out. And I just came back to tell Brendan something funny. Because yesterday on our lunch, we had something on our salad that we thought was tuna.
Okay.
But it wasn't tuna.
What was it?
We don't know. So we threw it in the garbage. And then today we asked the caterer, and it was a ham salad.
That looked like...
Yeah, bro, I mean, maybe you guys have, but I never heard of no ham salad before. So,
wow.
So that was a little bit... Oh, Neil did. Neil heard it. Affirm halted? Did I miss that? No, Affirm's not halted. Is it, Prad? No.
No.
What is Affirm doing?
It's down.
Right. So Affirm, obviously, yeah, I know, ham salad, right? That's strange. Yeah, there is. No, I'm not saying there's not a ham salad. It's just that was weird. Like when you're expecting tuna, it didn't look like ham. You know what? It was like gritty, basically. I don't know what that was. But if Brendan doesn't like it, then I'm out of there.
Check the link.
What link? What is happening? I'm going to go back to...
Oh,
I'm going to go back to my
right.
spot.
That is right. That's right. We forgot. Peloton's getting deleted from the index tomorrow. And then
okay,
this
but whatever.
happens.
I mean, whatever. This is an internal document that I think is going to turn out to be fake, but I don't know. Like, what does that even mean? It's like, hey guys, yeah, by the way, we're Microsoft and we're pausing like, or not I guess Microsoft, we can use it like no more Xboxes or something. Like, how is your business simply an electric bike? And that's all that you're doing. You've ran over kids with your treadmill, things like that. And now all of a sudden you come out and you say you're not producing any more bikes. Like, that is their business. Like,
yeah,
if they were getting out of clothing, there it is. It's back open.
Hey, open flat.
Why does Valeriia have? I have 2350 right now.
It's a TMS.
It's different.
Different.
Okay,
yeah.
I'm gonna go back. I'll be back.
Yeah, so it opened flat, guys. We're going much lower. So I thought I was about to make money, but it looks like I made 1 penny over there. It opened at 24.02. I feel I was long 24.01. So basically made 1 penny, better than losing 1 penny or more than 1 penny. But here's the question, though. We got 1 halt, 2 halt, almost a 3rd halt. Now, we knew that the stock wanted to go higher from 24 because it indicated an open of 25, and that's what it's doing. It's getting ready to rock back to the north side a little bit, but that doesn't mean I'm going to take the long. I'm actually going to be a little hesitant on piling into the halts over here because we saw about 3 to 4 fake halts already, so I don't want to be doing that. And also, yeesh, I am back to green on the week thanks to my Tuesday trading, which was horrible. So I'm back to green on the week, and I can continue my green lean mean machine week streak going on. Now the question is, maybe I just take an even dollar break short and then I just play it that way instead for the stock. Look at it. Look at the amount of volume. I might have to filter more than 100 shares because the amount of volume that's going through. So I'll do 149 and we'll see how many is it a little bit cleaner to read that way. Man, this is insane. Green lean machine because he is reloaded. You know it, baby. You know it. $17 a share is basically what we're looking for. If this stock gets back to the halt price is $26.42, I'm not sure it's going to ever get back to 29 right now today, but we'll see. If it comes back anywhere close to 26, maybe I'll look for a short to take chance to take short. Affirm, let's go take a look if Affirm's reversing at the moment. Affirm did go as low as 59, did not limit down like Peloton did, but finding support at 61, getting ready to get back to 63, 64, 65 maybe, but obviously a little bit of a weakness coming in from the Peloton side for Affirm. Let's go take, oh man, Peloton's ripping. Peloton ripping right now all the way back to 25. Let's see if it can actually break 25 or are we going to see some more selling coming in. Man, what a day. Let's go. We don't see the screen. Sorry, guys. My bad. That's my fault. I didn't see the chat. Here we go. Awesome. Reverse. Indeed, it's reversing hard, man. Sean.
Yo, what's up? So, yeah, back in the normal spot here. Thanks, Prad, for having me on there. I got out, so I'm out of everything at 24. So we don't have any bottom ticks. We took out half on the reopen of what we had left, and then when it broke back above 24, we executed out again. So right now we are completely flat in Peloton and just watching to see where this thing wants to go now because I have no idea. I feel like it's going to halt back up to the upside. Key levels, maybe a 25-10 break, 25-20 break back upside, but it's very, very hard, obviously, when you're sitting here and you're going to try to make a call on a key level or anything like that because we don't know what this news is coming back out. Like, I would say take a long through 25-20, but, you know, what if they come out and they say, yeah, that's right, you know, like this is an official document now and we are stopping the making of our product. I mean, that's not a good sign, right? So we'll see that. While we were doing that, it's going to seem minuscule now, but we did get stopped out of our app, of our Microsoft. We took a shot here at 308.50. That didn't work, and we got dumped out at 308 break. So that's a 50-cent hit right there on Microsoft. That sucks, but, you know, we just took $4 on Peloton. So there it goes. Not a good hit there for Microsoft. That sucks. But Peloton, obviously, my #1 stock today, and it's going to keep on working. AMC as well. We took a shot on that again down here. Was able to make some money. We got in at 1903. Took it all out here, 20s, 20s, 20s. Breaks back down. We get out at 10s. It rips up again. AMC possibly also looking for You can get that reload here on AMC if it comes back in to about 19 bucks. Give it this bottom, 18.90 or so, pretty solid bottom. You could see we got out a couple times down there, but you know, watching that, then taking the profit. AMC still a good name here today, but wow, what a crazy ride that was on Peloton. Hopefully we can take another one. There it is, breaks through 25, so we'll see where it goes now.
All right, coming back to me, just a little, still being patient, you know, calming my nerves down, doing a little breathing exercises. That was a lot of excitement, a lot of fun, a lot of information blast going on. We're actually going to halt upside right now. Here we go. Upside halt coming in at 25.47. Size actually building up. This is not going to fake halt. This is not going to fake halt. You're not going to fake halt on me, right? I see size going up, not really going down. This is going to go through. There we go. There we go. Did you get any? No. You got any? Wow, Sean actually got a fill. I didn't even want to take the fill. Let's see what the tap is. So Sean actually got that fill there. I did not want the fill because obviously I'm a big bear on this company. So, but that's gonna stop me from making some money on the upside. Obviously, let's see if this can start ripping now. This is the first halt that did not fake halt, so that's a good thing. First halt that did not fake halt. Sheesh. Third, three halt rule strikes again. There you go. Scormsy knows it. 1, 2, 3, and then strikes again. The three halt rule. Three halt to the downside, three halts to the upside. We're gonna see a three halt now, probably back to the upside, and then again, market might calm down a little bit and then go sideways. I was gonna do some breathing exercise and calm down because I thought, you know, we're gonna be chilling out a little bit, but nope. Excitement's still here. Fun's still here. We halted at 25.47, and then the opening is pretty much flat. But I think we're gonna go up from this halt based on how the stock traded off of the lows at what was the low 23.25, which was my best out on that short. Shorted 29 something, sorry 28 something, and out 23.25. Sheesh. This might flush the market. I mean, obviously Peloton and Affirm should not flush the market, but it is bringing down the overall market because people might be getting liquidated right now. If anyone's in Peloton hard, they might just get margin called, or Affirm. And if they're getting margin called over there, oh boy, that's going to be a whole different deal. So let's look out for some candles getting blown out. Small cap was poop today. Let's actually look at some small cap stocks. APM. Buy now, pay never later. Yeah. Ride never. Peloton. There goes Peloton, obviously. APM, I wanted to look at the low float stock because obviously Miss V should be back anytime soon. And Miss V was trading this one for you guys. Neil was trading this one for you guys. Still holding up in those same levels that we were watching this position between 165 and 155. Can we rip between move on from these two is the question. I'm with you on that. Tiny size, too scary. Oh, true. NLS downward trend as well. NLS on NASDAQ down. I mean, 900,000 shares for a $5 stock isn't really much, but let's look at this downward trend and we'll look for something that's actually has volume. Let me actually also filter the size over here. Welcome back, Miss V. Let me filter the size back to 99 shares, and yeah, downward trend, but you know, no real volume going on over there.
Hello, Peloton again, or again halted?
Yeah, halted on the upside this time.
How was your short? Good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Should we buy Peloton now? No, I don't think so. It depends on your risk parameters, but you know, obviously, if you just saw what happened in the market, you do not want to be buying Peloton. Market's going lower. Yeah, I mean, looks like SPY were up 1.7 today at one point, right? ES, SPYs, whatever you guys use. H22. Come on, don't do that to me. H22 on CM. So I'm going to use the futures for you guys. Here we go. We were up 1.5, 1.6 at one point on ES, but now we're pretty much only up 0.9 instead of a whole point or more. And on for NASDAQ NQ/H22CM, which was up a 2% or more, and now we're only up 1%. So big down move coming in on the market. Let's go look at what Tesla's doing. Really, Tesla, you're gonna hold up in front of VWAP and look healthy. Good job for Tesla. Buy Affirm. I personally would say yes, but after everything that's going on around Affirm with Amazon partnership and with everything, I don't even know if I can go with that mentality anymore. So yeah, probably wait a little bit longer. Affirm is, obviously they own Peloton in their portfolio about 30% when they first came out to the market. I'm not sure how much they own anymore, but if they own any bit of Peloton right now, they're going to be cracking. Isn't that what you said? Oh, was Peloton. Oh, I thought you said they own shares like Rivian Ford. No, okay, got it. That makes sense too. So most of the people who bought Pelotons most likely bought it off of the Affirm's backing and using their buy now pay later program. But obviously they're gonna cancel bikes on Peloton, and then what are you gonna buy now and pay what later? There goes Peloton. Here we go. Let's pull up PTON. PTON open back up, and we're ripping to the north side. So we halted at 25.40 something, 25.43, I believe. Now we're at 25.70, 25.80. Let's see 26 come into play. Come on, 26. There's some size on 26. We broke it. Ooh, higher. Oh, but they did break 26, but came back down right away. Can we do that again? Iceberg? No, not an iceberg. Let's see. More. Keep going. Upwards is the direction clearly that we're going right now. Maybe I should have held that long that I got flipped into, huh? No, that's a bad way to think about it. I stuck to my rules, and I'm very glad that long did not hurt me. Oh boy, 26.45 short Peloton. I'm waiting. I think that's not a bad way to think about it for sure. We have a special guest for you. Here comes a special guest.
Yeah, not that special, bro. Thanks for the disappointing throw there. Like, people are like, oh my God, it's just Sean again. Okay, so we went long right here again on the halt. We got out half of the trade on the halt because we were like, yeah, maybe this isn't a good thing. But now we still have the long, and it's going right back up to the upside right now. So remember I gave you guys 25.50 or so level, or 25.20 level? That was really the only one that you could have gone long. So now we flipped it around, and guess what? One more time, man. We're $1 in the money now on the long side. So wow, what a crazy move this was here. I think we'll get back out if it comes back to 28 or so for Peloton, if we're lucky enough to get that. But another big win as we flip it to the long side right here on Peloton. We're only holding 10% now, but hey, if it keeps going up, it keeps going up. Peloton rifling up the board, I think, of every trader today as their #1 stock. So congratulations, Prad. I know it's tough to trade on the show, and you did a great job there. So welcome to the club, my friend.
Let's do it. Let's have fun. It's all about having fun, guys. I'm sure I'm having fun, and I hope you guys are too. Somebody mentioned that they were trying to look for the short at 26.50. I kind of agree with that statement. I wish I actually took that. I kind of chickened out on it. I just didn't want to give back my gains on Peloton just yet. I want to wait for when the stock slows down. There's still so much volume coming in, so much, data all over the place that I can't disseminate the information without some patience on this. So obviously that 26.50 coming in. If you are short 26.50, you might just have to give it that 50-cent room to 27. Oh, there we go. There goes the 50-cent room to 27 because you're gonna get stopped out. So Peloton, man, what a crazy stock today. Long side, short side, whatever side you are, as long as you timed it right, you are smoking this position, man. Let's go. So a little point that I had to, obviously stroke Sean's ego over there and Neil's ego. And basically it is, I only made money short side because obviously that's the only direction I think on for Peloton. But if you are a day trader, you should be thinking a little bit more like Sean and Neil, which is, I can make money on the short side, but I can also make money on the long side. And look at him smoke it right now all the way through 26, almost at 27. We did not break 27 though. So for anyone who gave that 50-cent risk, you should still be in the short if you are. And if you are not, then maybe get in and then still give it that 50-cent risk. Right now I'm going to be a little hands-off on it. 30 minutes left. Prad's hungry. Prad's mentally drained out a little bit. I'm going to try to protect my capital, and then I'll come back at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, power hour, and then I'll let retail traders take my money away at 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. For now, I'll keep my money and not give it to algorithms. Not saying that there's algorithms on Peloton right now, though. This is just straight retail punching bids and getting the fudge out. Affirm to VWAP. Yay. Ooh, really? Okay. Nice. Affirm made a beautiful rebound over here along with Peloton. I actually love seeing that on Affirm, obviously. You guys have heard me talk about Affirm so much. Miss Me even calls me an Affirm lover because I traded Affirm every single day for like 2 weeks straight. Yeah. 2 weeks straight. But obviously, I wish I was short Affirm today, man. Oh, boy.
But
what a day.
You did short Peloton.
I have Peloton.
Doing better, right?
Yeah. Peloton's my number one stock of the day, so let's go. We'll take it. Is Peloton going to drop more? I think Peloton could easily see $20, $17 over the span of this month now. I've been saying this for a while, but obviously there was no catalyst that was going to take it there yet. But now that this catalyst that they presented to me, I'll gladly take it. Is Peloton delisting? Well, yeah, according to an article on CNBC that I read 3-4 days ago, they're gonna remove it off the Nasdaq. That's delisting off the market. They're just taking it off Nasdaq 100 index. Yeah. Sorry, not delisting. I got confused. Thank you. Thank you, Prad, for calling out Peloton yesterday. No problem, my friend. Obviously, I got your back. Any day you want me to tell you about dog companies, I'll tell you. I'll tell you all the time about dog companies, or at least companies that I think are dog. Affirm, that was nuts indeed. Affirm News is basically Peloton. Why is Farm going down? FARM on Nasdaq. 69,000 shares. Not much going on. I think you meant to say Affirm though. So moving back to something. Let's go look at what SoFi is doing. SoFi 1576. Not bad. Holding up at VWAP on SoFi. Still looking good over here. Now the question is, can we get back to 16 and actually close above 16? If SoFi closes above 16, I'll be very happy. I'm already 75 cents in the money on my own portfolio on this stock. So let's go. Looks like Peloton is doing exactly what I planned out. So if I stuck to my idea, I would have gotten another trade out of it, which is shorting 27 or shorting 26.50 and giving it to 27, which it never broke. So here we go, $1 in the money if you are short 27, or 50 cents in the money if you're short 26.50. Let's see if we can go all the way back to low a day. Are they really gonna protect 26 right now? No way, right? No, who's protecting 26? Let's see. Buyers are coming in or not? No way they protect 26. Go downside. There we go. Crush. There we go. Yeah, there's no way you're protecting 26 right now. No way. All right, whatever. Moving on. Rivian. Moving to Rivian.
Real quick, yeah, I know everything about Peloton now, but Tyrone brought some news related to crypto. Russia's central bank on Thursday proposed banning the use and mining of cryptocurrencies on Russian territory. Oh, wow. Well, Bitcoin anyways is up 3% on the day, nearing 33,000.
Yeah, so well, 33,000.
43.
Oh my! You gave me a heart attack,
Sorry.
yo. I was like, what?
English
33.
is my second language. Imagine.
If it was at 33,
And
I would have
say it
opened
so
my account
calmly.
right now. If it was 33, I was gonna open up my account right now and load the bag up on that bad boy. Okay, so 43, I like it. We're positive still, 3% up on crypto. Even with the Russian banning news, we're not actually going the downside, so that's a good thing. Because remember, every time China came out and said ban crypto, the market crashed a little bit. So I'm happy seeing this. Overall, you don't want a powerhouse of a country like Russia to ban crypto forever. Because if that happens, that's pretty scary for the market, for crypto market. I'm still waiting for that 40,000 barrier to buy more. I don't know why I'm being stingy over $2,000, $3,000. Maybe I should just cross up and take it. But the last time I did that, the stock fell. So I'm not going to do it. I'm going to be stingy. And if it fills me, it fills me. And if it doesn't, then that means we're already going in the right direction for ourselves. So let's go. Russian, a powerhouse economy? No, I meant Russian powerhouse. They have the veto power. They're one of the 5 strongest countries in the world by just power. In the scene from Game of Thrones, where Littlefinger goes up to Cersei and he goes, knowledge is power, and then Cersei just directly commands her warriors to grab him, put the sword on his neck, and then she says, pull away from him, never mind, and then she goes up to him. power is power, that's basically what I'm coming down to. So Russia, China, France, USA, and Great Britain. These are your top 5 great global leaders of the world, and not even Canada has a veto power in the Great 5. So being Russia, being the one of the top 5 over there, they have a lot of power in them. Trust me. Maybe not economy, maybe not this, maybe not that, but the top 5 countries are over there, and you know them. You know who they are. Take a look at PayPal. Move this down. Move this down. All right, take a look at PayPal. PayPal actually still beautiful. Let's go. I like it. Up 2% on the day. What's going on? I just saw Littlefinger couldn't hold his pistol. He's not reloaded. Okay, dude. So let's go look at this. So PayPal still 2% up on the day. Let's go. That down move that came in from Peloton and Affirm and everything that hurt the market. It's still looking good for PayPal. Obviously, we want PayPal back to 200. Not sure when, if, why, if that even will happen. But I would love for PayPal to go back above 200. Currently finding support on the intraday at 177 and rejection at 180. Sold Peloton 26.5. Let's go. Okay, so let's look at SoFi. SoFi currently moving back to the north side. Let's see if we can break 16 and break 16 for the second time here. Yes, second time, and get back to the north side. Wow, so Peloton's actually going to go through 27. Looks like if you are short, you got stopped out right now. Peloton's going to go through 27. Let's see if we're going to keep on ripping. Oh, man, I always do this to myself. I did this to myself on DWAC. I'm doing this to myself on Peloton. So on DWAC, when I made that money off that halt trade on the day where it went to 175, I stopped trading it completely, and that was a big mistake. So and I did the same thing on Peloton here after I made my money on the short side. I stopped trading it completely, and I left money on the table.
Brad, real quick, we got a super chat from Joe Klingler. Thank you so much, Joe. No message in here, but later Joe said us for your nerves. Nerves?
Oh, nerves.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, for my nerves. Trying to calm my nerves down. Thank you.
We'll go treat ourselves in Tim Hortons.
Yes. Buy a coffee. Think so. Peloton. No, don't do that, Prad. I don't even know what I said that you said don't do that. But Lone, you're my boy, so whatever you said, I just agree with you because you've never wronged me so far, so I'll take it. Disney long in respect of Netflix earnings. By that you mean like Disney Plus or whatever? You know, obviously Disney Plus is a little bit lagging compared to Netflix in terms of content, and you know, if you remember how long it took Netflix to get green in terms of, you know, on the books and whatnot. So I think Disney Plus still has some struggles to go through, but eventually I think Disney Plus has the potential to take over Netflix. Eventually, I'll throw that out there. Eventually. But there's still some struggles and pains that they have to go through. Miss V, you look extra fine today. Ooh la la.
Thank you, Andrew Peachheart. Thank you so much, guys, for all the compliments. Someone said that blonde is definitely my color, so thank you. I think blonde is Prad's color too, but the thing is here, we can go blonde on Prad only when we get 3,000 likes.
That's true. Thank you for reminding them. So what are we at today? I know we hit 1,000. 1,100. Let's go. 1,100 likes already. Did I even like it today? Wow, Prad. Wow, Prad. I just liked it. Wow, Prad. Shake my head. Shake my head. I'm ashamed of myself. Ashamed of myself here. Sorry for that, Miss V. I should be a better host and I should be the first one.
You're the best host.
I should be the first one.
It's okay. It's never too late to like, guys. In case you forgot to like, it's never too late. Until the show is on, we are super glad to see likes going to the upside.
If Prad goes blonde, I will reload it. Reload what, my boy? Reload what?
Peloton.
Peloton. No, don't reload Peloton, please. Don't reload Peloton long. I beg of people. Don't burn yourself on that one. It's coming back down. Looks like that 27 barrier is still acting as a barrier. So PTON, that idea of 27 still panning out. I guess I could look for a short now if I wanted to. If we do go back to 27, I am not risking any much more than the 27 break. So it looks like maybe 27.30. The break of 27.30 is what I'll risk because of the volume that we're seeing. It could easily whipsaw to 27.20, 27.30 above that 27 and stop you out. So if you are still short, you might have gotten stopped out because 27 did break a couple times, but you should immediately get back in as long as you know your fee structure, your commissions on your platform allows you to do so. Piton reload short, yeah, I would say so. And you have to give it the risk of 27, 25, 27.30 break. And if you ask me, at least that's what I would do. Flushing again, too much Beyond Meat for lunch. Wow. Did you buy Beyond Meat? Like, why? Why? Let's do it.
I'm just going to come here to drop you a compliment because I'll tell you right now, I reloaded the short in front of 27, and you just said exactly where my stop is. So that's what it's all about right there. Like, it's a matter of let it fail break a key level, and if it's going to really bounce back to the upside, let it come back to that first halt price. And if it's going to reject at that, you get a fail break, maybe trap some longs there, but then your stop is tight to that high, not even letting it get there. My limit order is up to 28, don't get me wrong, because I'm going to cross up aggressively there. But a 27.30 stop makes total sense to me. It's exact same thing I had already put in when I took this short about 3 or 4 minutes ago. And look, if it breaks, I just scalped them out. If it breaks 26, I'm looking right back to this whole price of 25.50. It bounces there, I'm out. If it breaks this, I'm holding down to 24, which was the halt bottom. The actual bottom's 23.25, but the halt bottom was at $24. So shout out to you, Prad. I mean, that's what, quickly identifying, not just like getting in or knowing that you have to have a stop, but being able to very, very quickly, when a stock is moving this fast and is this active, be able to say, this is where it logically makes sense to put a stop based on my experience level. That's what it's all about. That's why you go through the process of planning your trades, so that when you get in the heat of the moment and the stock is going crazy, you're not sitting there having to think too deeply about it because you've already established a plan of action on something similar and you're applying that playbook to something as crazy as this. So good job, Prad.
Let's do it. I wish I took it though. You know, applying the playbook is great. I always say calling stocks out doesn't make money. Actually, trading does, and that's true. So obviously, I made the call out, but I'm not in it, so that hurts. But if it does go back up, you know I'm taking it because that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for that confirmation, which I saw, but I didn't capitalize on it because I don't want to lose money. I don't know why I'm thinking about it that way, but I should capitalize on it because if this short works out, we could have another all-day short going back to the downside that you know, a lot of people are hoping for on Peloton. Someone brought up Beyond. I think you were just joking because you were talking about how you ate Beyond food or whatever. Hope you're good, and if you did eat Beyond food, hope you're good and you're not sick. I'm just joking. But we'll see where this one goes. So 63 support maybe. Look at yesterday how the stock traded at. Straight consolidation near 63, even the day before that, right? Not moving too much higher, not moving too much lower. So if we do come back down to the same areas, $63, $62.90 or whatever, I'm looking for support around these prices, but it looks like we're gonna bounce up slightly higher than that. 63.50. The spread itself is 10 cents, and the volume is 3.5 million shares on Beyond Meats. Obviously, you guys know the short float on the stock is pretty high, and then the other point is maybe I take the 26 breakout short. Actually, yeah, I can't take the breakout shorts on Peloton. It's not gonna fill you because it's SSR now. I forgot. So that's that. So Beyond, anyways, let's see if Beyond can find support at $63.50 or even $63, which just happens to be around yesterday's close. Netflix earnings play for end of day. I much rather wait for Netflix earnings to come out at end of day and then trade it off the momentum, off the volume, off the hype when the earnings drop. So usually you'll see what's it called? You'll see algorithms kicking in and moving the stock violently in one direction or the other when the earnings drop, and then usually you'll have a somewhat of a reversal happening because, you know, after the algos disseminate the information and make a trade out of it, then comes the retail order flow, and then that's what you want to capitalize on. You don't want to be fighting algorithms. You want to be fighting other retail traders and then see if you're on the right side while they're on the wrong. At least that's how I would like to trade it. Yeah, Prad is making real progress. Neil Roberts gave you a pat on the back. Lucky you. Thank you, Ariana. You know, just trying my best out here. You know, doing my best, trying to have fun with front of you guys. At the same time, trying to also put food on my table. Right now, that food on my table is a Rice Krispie square.
Yummy.
Does oil see $100 before it sees $60? Crude oil, like CL. Let's go check out CL. CL's currently at 85, and you're saying, will it see 100 before it sees 60? Obviously, a lot of questions over there. With the way that oil is going right now, I think it could go see 100 before it sees 60. But yeah, that's a good question if you ask me. That might just be what's it called? A poll question, if anything. Peloton, we already talked about that. Come on, Prad, your mom buys your food for you. All right, listen, you might be right, but that doesn't change anything, okay? I still need to put food on the table. You may be right on that side, but I still need to be able to bring in money, all right? Come on. If Russia invades, okay, we're not reading comments like that. Come on. Amazon about to crash. Watch it go down. Amazon about to crash. Watch it go down. Broke 3120 support. So market's kind of holding up right now. So let me show you these charts because I like the way these charts look, and I'm pretty sure if I show you my chart, it's gonna update and look different. So 4560 on the ES, and what is this? This is 1580. So if either of these go lower, then I think Nasdaq is gonna be screaming red for the rest of the day, or just end flat for the day, which is not going to be good. If market ends flat today, we're going to go down tomorrow. That's going to be like Black Friday, or no, what's it called? Free Fall Friday. That's the one that I use. Free Fall Friday all over the place if market ends flat today. So let's pray. Fingers crossed. Miss V got the black on, and black is the new green. So hopefully stays green. Amazon is not affected by the firm. Yeah, but a firm will be affected by Amazon and the other way around. Did you see Amazon people getting fired? No, I did not. Thank you, Prad's mom. Yes, thank you, mommy. She actually went back to work because schools are back, and today was her second day at work. Yesterday, she was complaining about how these kids are absolute maniacs running around, not listening to teachers, not listening to a single command. Put your mask on. No! Just running around everywhere. So mom had some great stories over there. But yeah, man.
We send patience to your mom.
Gosh. If there's one thing I need, and there's a lot of things I can learn from my mom, but patience for sure. That's the one gene. That's the one. Yeah, she is. That's the one gene that never got transferred to me. Special needs kids. Not the whole school, like the younger age special eds. Yeah, kindergarten special needs kids. So Palantir, sorry, not Palantir, Peloton back to 27. Let's see if we can take a trade here. Come on, give me the fill, give me the fill, give me the fill, give me the fill. They did. Okay, so now we're going to give the risk that we wanted to on Peloton, obviously. So let's see if we're going to go back to the downside here. The fact that we're bouncing off in front of 26 and then going back to 27 every single time kind of has me worried that, you know, maybe on an upward tick in the market here, there's a chance that Peloton takes out that 27. You know, we've tried 3 times already, and on the 4th time maybe are we going to take it out. So watching it, obviously still giving it the same risk of 27.25 or 27.30 break. I'm not going to get out before that happens, but the fact that we're going to try and hold 27 on the bids is not a good indication for the short side right now. If 28 will short, that's also a good idea. You know, obviously, if 28 goes through, that's you could look for a short there instead. At the end of the day, I think the stock could come all the way back to the first halt price to test if there's any liquidity there. That is a very much a possibility. We have seen stocks do that before, where they come all the way back to the first halt price and then turn back around from there.
Prad, let's give a quick look to the heat map. A lot of positivity, a lot of blue colors. Guys, so mostly all the sectors are positive. We can see a little bit of negativity in the bank sector. Consumers also, VFC is down more than 4%, almost 5%. Multiple analysts cut price target on VF Corporation. Software and semiconductors are positive. NVIDIA finally back to the positive territory. Micron and AMD still though a little bit negative. So guys, we still have a lot of blue color, and hopefully also travel sector is positive except for UAL, I believe, for not really great earnings. So yes, hopefully we'll keep that positivity all the way into the close.
Let's do it. Yeah. Fingers crossed, everybody. Fingers crossed. You better have your fingers crossed, because if the market ends flat or red, everyone's going to be hurting tomorrow. Let's go to your special guest.
Keep disappointing the audience, my man. But there it is. So we are out. I know you don't get the animations. Maybe you heard that. Oh, my God. We just got out at 27. Look, I was sitting here just talking about it, and I was like, you know what? It would look really cool visually if we got out at these indicators, because then it would make me look smart. But instead, I'm just going to, how many times now have we looked this? 27 here, 27, 27. The last time it bounced off 27, we did retrace all the way back to 26. So I'm going to give up. I was sitting at 27.30. I'm going to give up 30 cents here and take the $1.50 and put it in my pocket. So we went long here, 26.50 on that halt. We got it, or sorry, what are we talking about? 25.50 on that halt. Got out of half right away, which obviously is a mistake. And then out there at 26 for 50, 60, 70 cents. And then we just took the $1.50 on the last part. So good trading here on Peloton. Unbelievable. Short. Only time we went short was right here. Out, 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 and then reverse. That's our out. Like, so we have the short at the first halt price and outs at the bottom there, Prad, where you reverse long on purpose, of course. And then boom, and then we took that long right there, and then just out now. But looks like Peloton's going to go back to VWAP. I'm not taking a break, but wow, what an exciting time. And we're back live in just 17 minutes, but can't wait to take you guys into the close.
Back live in 17 minutes indeed. So watching Microsoft right now. So looking at Microsoft, we did go as low as 308. What is this? 307.76 on Microsoft, all the way back to the opening drive low candle. Really, Peloton? They really stopped me out, and then they went back to the downside. So we're gonna try and get back in, see if we can give me a fill. But we'll show you Peloton in a second after we get the fill, but we still don't have that one, so we'll just wait. So Microsoft, we just covered Microsoft, went to the downside all the way back to the pretty much opening drive low a day. We'll see if this one can manage to get back to VWAP or so. Still positive, almost 2% after the whole the everything that happened on the stock market just now. So we'd like to see, obviously, if we can get back to 310 on this one, with the overall market trying to reclaim a little bit. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. AMD bouncing off of VWAP, still flat on, negative on the day still, but very slightly negative, only down 0.5%. Would like for a market move to the north, hopefully bring AMD along with it. Peloton. Let's go look at Peloton. Peloton did not give us that fill, so I'll just pull out my order right now. It looks like you got out 27. Yeah. So got out 27, and we were short 27, risking 27.25. I should have just stuck to my 27.30 because there was size on 27.30, and then the stock pretty much went and tickled 27.25, stopped me out, and then went back to the downside. So that sucks. Miss V?
We have a request from Alan. Please get Sean to let Prad to do trade of the day.
Oh no! I'm gonna go for my nice walk. Come back at 3 o'clock. Sorry, not 4 o'clock.
Your nice walk.
I'm gonna go for a nice walk. Come back later, and I need a break. Can you check out Tesla? That's Miss V's quarters. Miss V, check out Tesla.
Absolutely, guys. I'm keeping an eye on Tesla. Tesla is doing really good today. Holds that gains strong and still in the approximately the same range, like 1040s, 1030s. I will wait until the power hour when volume comes and see what Tesla will do. But I really hope that Tesla today will go higher, and maybe we'll be even able to break that 1041 level. I want Tesla to go back to 1,100.
1,100. I like it. I love it. I like it. I love it. All right, so I got back in on Peloton over here, risking the same thing again, 27.30. We'll see if it happens. I'm going to add a little bit once we get closer to 27 also. So let me just throw up the order over here. 26.95 will take... How much do I have right now? 30. We'll do that much. Cool. I want some more of it. You can get all you want, brother. You can have all you want. You could have whatever you like. I say you could have whatever you like. Hey. All right, so $4. $4 holding up. We're currently at 420. Ha ha ha. 420. So BBIG 420 on the offer. Well, now 419 on the offer and 418 on the bids. Let's see if we can continue holding the size. Sorry, continue holding the stock above $4. Obviously, if the stock breaks below 4, that's a little you don't want the stock to do that. You don't want it to break below 4. So very happy seeing that we're back above 4, and just close above 4, please. Close above 4. Peloton getting ready to give me my fill here. So let's go back to Peloton. Nasdaq, they did not give me the fill. Are you kidding me? Oh wow. Come on. They were 95. My orders are 95. There we go. They gave me the fill. Awesome. Let me recreate my stop right here. So Peloton, we're gonna do. We said 27.30, so we'll just stick to that. We're going to stick to our stop. We're going to stick to our plan. Our stop has been placed. We're ready, rocked and roll for the downward move. But the fact that obviously, man, the amount of times we kept bouncing the 27, I really don't like the short. But, obviously we're going to stick to the plan. We're going to stick to the trade. And if it stops us out on the break of VWAP, which is actually 27.43, so maybe I recreate this order for a break of 27.50 because VWAP is 27.43 on the 3-minute. So I'll do that instead. 28, 27.51, and then my amount of size, and we're out of there. Boop, boop. Macklemore Thrift Shop. I'm going to pop some tags. Affirm back to green. No way. Really? No, what? That really happened on Affirm? Wow, okay, Affirm. Back to the green right now. Actually, positive 0.6%. I'm not sure how that even is possible after having that big down move. But I guess, Peloton getting crushed. People are like, this move on Affirm is a little bit over-exaggerated. It has to get back to somewhat reality levels. So it looks like they brought it back to the long side at least, or the positive side. Affirm was originally at 68, 69, but now we're way below it at 65, 64. Let's see if we can get back to 65, break above it. And where's the opening price on this one? 65.27 is where we opened today, and the low a day being $59.2. How many buying Peloton are trying to average down and then praying it goes up? I mean, it's a viable strategy, right? Palantir, Kathy Woods is doing that on Palantir every single day. You saw that, but it just depends on what company you're buying and whatnot. So there's more levels to that, but there's nothing wrong with averaging and praying that it goes up. But as long as you're doing that on a valuable stock, then nothing wrong with it. Hey Prad, can you show how you read offers and bids? Just looking at level 2 and looking for where size comes. So this is a bid, this is an offer. Reading an offer is just looking at the size on the offer for me. Reading a bid is just reading the bids, and then you're looking at time of sales at the end of the day to combine all of that in one neat little picture. New trading strategy, praying. Yes, praying is a great strategy, right, Mister?
Oh, well.
Praying is not the best stock strategy, guy. Oh, no, it is. Trust me, it's a great stock strategy. I love it.
It's a great combination of a little bit of everything.
Peloton used to trade 22 to 27, so maybe hang in there for a while. Okay, I'll take that. Thank you for telling me that, because obviously this 27 level being a little bit pain in the butt, pain in the derriere. I love praying. Oh, that's good. Nothing wrong with praying. PTON 24 by 4 p.m. That'd be great. That would be great. BCS, I'm seeing support at $9.90. BCS, funny enough, that's almost the school that I went to, BCA though, but BCS is also another acronym for it. So BCS or NY, BCS on NY, 3 million shares traded and currently at $11.35. So let's see where this one is flying off towards. South side, north side, left side, right side. Right side? No, left side. Always right side. Sorry, always right side, not left side. What am I saying? But it is currently down almost a full percent, so 0.74% down today with 3 million shares and trying to find support around VWAP, which is at 11.35. Need a bucket and mop for this wet loan, bro. Come on, bro. Was that a loan? No, I don't even know who that was. I think that was... Where to go? I can't even scroll because this chat sucks. You garbage chat. Oh no, that was JD's. Come on, JD. Come on, bruh. Okay, the internet is my imaginary friend. Oh, I have a lot of friends, man. In that case, I have a lot of friends. In that case, I'm not a loner at all.
That's Adam.
Oh, I got a lot of friends.
Let's be honest, he doesn't exist.
He doesn't exist. He doesn't. He's my inner. He's my mind. He's my thought process. That wasn't me. No, it was JD. Sorry, it was JD. JD, the boy, the man, the myth, the legend, JD himself. SNDL on the D list. SNDL. Let's go check out SNDL. SNDL trying to delist could be possible. That's still BCS. SNDS going to delist very soon if it doesn't go back above $1. Last time they did a what's that thing called, a reverse split to make sure. Here comes Peloton to screw me over one more time. So I do have my stop this time, and we're gonna stick to it. We're not gonna bend the rules over here and get out a little bit earlier. If we lose some, that's fine. We're not gonna give back our whole day on it because we're sizing appropriately. But if we do win, we're just gonna add to our winners. There we go, Peloton. You're done trying to go above 27, right? Because you've tried it enough times here. Let's pull up the chart. Let's see what the chart's looking like. Higher highs so far and really struggling, but the biggest key factor for me is it's struggling to hold 27 on the bids. There we go. It's really struggling to hold 27 on the bids, and that's what you want to see when a stock's going up. You want to see offers stepping up, so you want to see bids stepping up, and you want to see that bid holding. So it's struggling to do that, but it's also struggling to hold the bid 27 on the offer, which is also not a great thing for us.
Max Katana says, yeah, Tony the Tiger ready for the battle today.
Oh, you saw that? Yeah,
well,
I was gonna
absolutely. We'll ask Tony if he want to do the battle. But guys, I thought I'm going to die out of love. This was great. But what I want to say, Tony fell, but then right away he stood up and he hit the bell. So guys, that was a message from Tony, never give up.
Never give up. Shopify. Let's go look at Shopify. SHOP. $1,000 stock, obviously. Where is this one going to? That's not on NASDAQ. We're on New York. Yeah, you took it, right, mister? Okay, cool. Yesterday there was a wire over there. We'll talk after. So Shop on New York, obviously 800,000 shares traded on this one, and it is up 3%. So let's see where this one can go to. We have been giving back quite a bit of a move on Shopify from 1,400 all the way to 1,100. Now the question is, where are the supports at? Where are the buyers at? Where is the value buying coming in at? Where are the hedge funds coming in at? And where do we get to in this high inflation period? Never stop reloading. Never going home, just loves reloading. It's just reload everything. My man just loves reloading everything. Netflix earnings tonight. You got that right, Drago. You got that right. Net or Twillo. TWLO on New York. Let's go check out TWLO. $200 stock with 1.8 million shares traded so far. Can we get a chart? Come on, baby. There we go. So they're 2.7% up today on Twilio and finding support at 209. Looks like that support at 209 is pretty strong. Like, look how we just ping 209 every time. Even though you dip slightly under 209 to 208, there's not much trading going on under there. Let's go, Peloton, back to the downside. Yeehaw! I'm not getting out until low a day. You guys think I have the chance to hold on to any size? Obviously, you guys know how my exits happen. I take profits as soon as possible. We're 34 cents in the money and we were risking 50 cents, so we're not taking it yet. We'll wait for $2 in the money or more before we take profits, or we're going to get stopped out. That's it. We're going to scalp it, though. We're going to scalp our money all the way through. We're going to add to our Peloton bag more and more. Let's go, baby. What are you thinking of SoFi bottom? SoFi bottom is wherever it's at right now. So SoFi, yeah, look at that. 15.6 is the low for that range currently. And I don't think SoFi has too much room to the downside today or in the near future. I think SoFi has a lot of upside potential compared to the downside potential based off the National Bank charter news that came out. So SoFi long-term hold. I would for sure say so, but what you can do is be a little patient if you want. There is a chance that SoFi comes back to $14, and you can buy it there if you want, because that's where I would have bought it, and I missed out. I bought it at 15. Oh, I thought you were waving at me. So I bought it at 15. And Miss V then did her analysis the very next day and said, why didn't you buy it at 14? I was like, you're right, I missed out. I wanted to buy at 14, but I made an impulse decision. So if you bought it at 14, even better. If you bought it at 13, even better. But I don't think we're going back to those bottoms anytime. If we do go to 14 or 15 anytime, I think that's the eyes closed buy, because this stock is going to be 30 according to analysts. According to analysts, it's going to be 30. So if that's true, then, yeah, you know.
Would be nice.
Would be nice. All right. Bing bong. Peloton going to pay my car this week. Ooh-wee. What car? Are we driving Lambo? Are we driving a Lambo? Or Sean's Ferrari? Sean's Ferrari? Prad, what are your thoughts on ADA and MATIC? I don't know Matic, but ADA, I invest in ADA. At the end of the day, you know, I own coins that my friends own. I own coins that I like also. So I have no opinions about ADA, nor do I know any research about ADA, nor am I going to do any research on ADA. Friends told me to buy it. I bought it. That's all I know.
Prad, real quick, just literally 2 minutes left until the end of market movers today, and the Playmaker 88 says make the push to 1.3k likes. So it even did 2 days in a row. Before we were getting 1,300 likes, and we need just 100 more likes to get to 13, and it will be our new daily goal starting today. Okay, and again, guys, if you don't know how, it's right under the video. Please hit that if you didn't do it yet and help us. Wow, yeah, we just did get that 1,300. We love you. You're the best, team. What is it? Is it the happiness on your face?
I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. The market's dying. Market's dying. It's gonna go to flat today. It's gonna go to flat. Watch. It's a wrap. It's gonna be a wrap. I can see the future. I think the market is going to end flat. It's not going to be a good thing. I think that's going to bring tomorrow more redness in the market. QQQ just taking out that range low slightly. 1580 got tested. I think if that range low gets taken out, okay, ignore this dark pull wicks. Let me show you what I'm looking at over here. I hate those dark pull wicks so much. So this range low, if that range low actually gets taken out, man, I think the market's going to end flat or negative, which is not going to be good for tomorrow. You want a positive day today on the market, so we might have some move tomorrow, but that's not going to be, looks like what's going to happen. Gravedigger indexes. Yikes, dude. All right, 1 minute. Miss V, we're out. Let's wrap it up. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for trading with us. For everyone who hit the likes button, we love you, and even those who didn't, we still love you, but next time.
Yes, guys, I hope you're having a great day so far. Good luck for the power hour. Make even more money. And пока-пока.
Пока-пока.
All right, guys, thanks so much. Yeah, 2 o'clock, 2 hours to go in the trading session. As we move towards the close, we're dealing with a lot of volatility in individual names. The market, as Trader Prad was saying, they're coming back to the downside here. It has been a positive day, much needed bounce overall for the market. We'll see if we can hold on to some of these gains that we've racked up so far today.